another weekly Pinoy podcast with the boys here.
Let's go.
My name is Globo.
Let's go.
Let's freaking go. We got Ken, we got John, we got Liu Miho, and we got Nil. Let's go, guys. Oh my goodness. Weekly. I'm pretty sure this is like uploaded on
Weekly.
May. Somewhere May. So, ibig sabihin weekly talaga. Ang galing natin, guys. Congratulations sa atin. Palakpakan natin sarili natin, guys. Let's go. Come on.
Congrats sa atin, guys. I love you, guys.
I can't
I love
hear
you all.
your claps, pero ayun.
Yes, very nice.
You know what else? Yung weekly?
Ano?
Ano?
Yung PR Reacts natin! Let's go!
Let's go!
Congratulations sa PR
Pati rin
Reacts!
PR Reacts!
Hindi ako
Tama.
aware doon.
Wow! May PR Reacts ba tayo? Trinil, congratulations sa PR Reacts, Trinil.
Wow!
Paring Trinil, congratulations sa PR Reacts.
Wow!
Salamat sa maging consistent doon every week.
Wow!
Grabe. We are popping off,
Oh,
bro.
congrats sa
Anong
B-Fresh,
sasabi mo,
pre.
We are doing it.
Congrats sa B-Fresh.
Ano yung B-Fresh?
Andun ka na eh.
Bubblegum?
Ano yung pakita, di
B-Fresh?
ba?
Ano
Bubblegum
yan?
yun
Ano
eh.
yung B-Fresh yun?
Ah?
Bubblegum yun, bro.
Ay,
Foresh,
Fortress.
Bobo! Foresh!
Anong
Fortress.
Fortress? Ano yung Fortnite?
B-Fresh po tayong bubblegum.
I'm just
Shoutout sa
joking.
Forest
okay?
dyan, okay? Ay,
Just
nagtatampo si
joking,
Trinil. Grabe naman yan, Trinil.
Kinuha yun
Hindi,
na sa
advance
amin.
lang.
Okay.
Advance
Pwede
lang
ka
gagawin.
naman, pwede ka naman sumama dun sa ano namin eh.
Advance lang kasi
Ano?
pag
Oh,
sumali
ito
na
na,
si Neil,
ini-invite
magiging
ko na sa-
B-Fresh. Tama kasi lima na.
Di ba?
Oh,
Tama, tama,
Tama, tama.
Ay, just to let you
Tama
guys
naman,
know,
B-Fresh.
yung Forest na yun, it doesn't mean na apat lang kami, okay?
Ay, hindi ba?
It's just playing around the concept of 4 people, okay? Or anything that has 4. So, ayun. So, let's say, for example, there could be an episode sa Forest na tayo 4 na Pinoy Serm.
Uy!
O, di ba?
Ba't di na sa Pinoy Reacts?
Pati na lang Pinoy Podcast.
Aba, ewan ko, invite mo sa PR Reacts. Pick up yung PR Reacts, di ba? Ang galing, let's go, PR Reacts. Thank you guys sa pag-support sa PR Reacts. Grabe, last week's episode sa PR Reacts was absolutely bussin'. Grabe, di ko ma-expect yung mga pangyayaring yun.
Tama.
Especially yung nag-react tayo dun sa ano yun? Yung sa, yung recent, yung ano, yung kay Yana. Ano ba yun?
Tawa, yun ang PR Reacts.
Yung, you tell me.
You tell me!
You
fucking tell me!
You tell me! You bloody fucking, fuck you! You bloody rogue! Bloody thief!
Dapat may mag-edit dun eh, tas ano, yung audio.
Alright. I love it, bro. Kasi, akala ko pa naman, yung pinapanood ko yun, sabi ko, shit, finally,
Another
nadagdag na naman ako sa propaganda ko against pick-up drivers. Yeah, I'm calling you out, pick-up drivers. Bakit kayo, okay? Bakit ganun kayo?
Ayun yung sa nagkakapila ko.
Oh, Yeah, just sip that shit. Yan.
Black coffee. Oh, shit.
Talaga. Yan ang mga gusto ng mga pickup drivers. Tama? Man, I don't know, guys. Pero,
like it black.
yeah, sa mga viewers natin dyan na may pickup dyan, I'm calling y'all out. Bakit ganyan kayo? I've recently been compiling a lot of clips. And sa masakto, every week, laging meron like 1 or 3
Kumukuta.
videos.
Kasali ba yung
na
akin dyan,
kumukuta.
Kasali ba yung akin dyan?
Oo, syempre
Ay,
kasali
gago.
sa'yo. See, may first-hand experience din tayo from another member. Naku po! Nakita ko yun.
SUV
Ayan,
yun,
guys,
hindi
may
pick up
propaganda
yun.
ako against. Hindi, pinagsama. It's the Ito kasi guys, I've been compiling a list of clips from pickup drivers and SUV drivers. Yung mga
Tapos
kamote,
re-reactan
nila.
mo?
Oo,
Re-reactan
i-reactan ko
yung sa
yun,
B-Fresh?
gago. I will make a propaganda video against them.
What the
Kasi,
fuck?
I don't know. Sa mga hindi aware dyan,
Ala.
pansin nyo, my dear viewers, pansin nyo, halos karamihan ng mga road rage incidents are
Dito sa
involving,
Pilipinas.
dito sa Pilipinas hindi, kahit sa West, ganun din dito sa Pilipinas, involves mga SUVs, especially Fortuners,
Oh, wow.
at mga pickups. Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya, Trinil? As a pickup driver, Trinil, bakit kaya?
Sa jeep? Ayaw
Sige
mo
nga.
kasama yung jeep.
Hindi, that goes without saying, mga jeep, kailangan i-face out yung mga old na yun. Pero ikaw, Neil,
face out.
bakit? Bakit, Trinil?
Wala naman ang
Bakit
pick-up
kaya? Wow! Hugas kamay! There! You tell me, Neil. You tell me!
You tell me! You tell me!
You tell me,
You tell me, you bloody!
You bloody fuck!
Bitches! Bloody tell me!
May video ako napanood sa YouTube na parang inaano yan eh. Like, they went into the science of like pickup drivers and SUVs. Kung bakit daw sila may highest prone sa incidents or road rage.
What is the
And it's more
scientific
of
data?
like parang ikaw, anong kita right now. I wanna see kung ano yung sagot ni Neil. or kayo, if
Short-term plan sila gago.
if ever you consider driving an SUV, bakit? Why would you buy an SUV? Tingin nga, ikaw, sa muna natin kay Ken.
Ano, fucking naman.
Ken,
If you had the
Dapat
money,
tama sagot nyo,
if you had the money to buy an SUV, like any SUV, okay, out of all the fucking cars out there, bakit mo pipiliin yung SUV? Sige nga. Well, what are the pros
tama
and
sagot
cons?
nyo.
What are the pros? What are the pros, Ken?
Mas marami yung space, mas
Ikaw.
marami makakasakay. I don't fucking know. Wala ko alam sa cars.
Okay. Alright, that's cool. Ikaw, Chris.
Di ba may
ikaw,
Fortuner si
bakit?
Ken?
Wow, di sa akin yan.
Sa propaganda mo yan.
Ikaw, Chris.
Same thing.
Chris.
Same thing.
Yun lang, space lang, that's
Yeah,
it.
space.
Okay, ikaw, Neil. Ikaw, hindi, si John, ikaw, if ever you had the money to buy a fucking SUV or
SUV.
pickup, bakit?
Kasi, wait, what? Anong question?
Yun nga.
Bakit? Kung bakit mo
Bakit ako, kung meron akong pera, tapos bibili ako ng
If you had the money
kotse,
to buy an SUV,
why would I drive it?
okay. Yeah, why
Siyempre.
would you pick an SUV? Ano yung pros ng SUV?
Siyempre, para mas
Siyempre,
mabigat
ano?
siya. Para pag may nabugo
Mabigat
ako,
dahil?
rekta patay. Ganun dapat. Mas mahal magpa-hospital,
Baka isa
putang
to.
ina.
Yan, puta, yan ang mentality.
Dahil man.
Neil, ikaw.
For
It's a
legal
family
reasons,
car,
that was stupid.
okay?
Family car? Bakit di ba kasya sa sedan ng ano?
Hindi,
Mga
but-
pamilya mo?
Kasi if ever magka-baby, syempre you need baby stuff. Syempre,
Oo,
tapos si
tama.
Chuchi, di ba, hindi naman
Di ba
pwede
kaya
pagkain
naman-
sila,
di ba-
yun ang
di ba
pagkatabihin
kaya
nyo,
na
di
sila
ba?
niya?
Yung mga
Oh,
gamit.
Sige.
So, tapos if trailing, syempre, mas malaki yung, ano niya, yung ground clearance niya.
Aha.
Okay?
Okay.
Tapos mas
Wow.
malakas siya pag pataas.
Sahod.
Wow,
Oh.
sahod.
pinag-isipan.
Yes.
Very good.
Sa pickup naman. Syempre, sa pickup, marami kang malalagay na gamit sa likod. Okay, kung
sige.
hindi ko pwede sabihin. Kasi malaman nila. Kung yung tao magpapalipat ng gamit, sabihin natin, di ba? Pick up ang ano dyan.
Oh, sabihin natin may kaibigan kang may papalipat ang gamit, di ba?
Papalipat! Lilipat! Di ba?
Sige.
Oh,
Okay,
tama.
okay.
Agree.
Valid. Okay, agree. Siyempre kasi tinanong ko na to sa inyo before sa ano eh.
Where's this going, bro?
Usap-usapan natin. Pero like, hindi. I wonder what the viewers had in mind sa like the moment we asked that question. Meron ba sa inyo, my dear viewers, may mga nag-ano ba? May mga nag-isip ba?
Ano sa inyo?
Mas safe eh. Para kung nabangga kami or pag may binangga ako, hindi ganun. Safe kami, ganun.
Naalog lang kayo.
Piling ko ang pangit ng mentality na gano'n na
Wow.
kaya ka bumili ng
Pero,
ng gano'n
I feel like-
dahil
I feel
mas
like, ano,
safe,
diba?
di ba?
Now, you'd be surprised. Like, may survey na
Yeah.
ganun doon sa video na inano namin, na pinanood ko.
Oh.
Karamihan daw ng kaya bumili sila is for safety daw.
Mm.
Okay. Kaya fucked up yung mentality na yun. Kasi parang, okay, you're buying a car for the safety. That's okay, that's valid. Pero it's like, parang ine-expect mo na may bubungguin ka eh.
Sana
Alam mo,
bumili
parang may
ka na ng
ine-expect ka na binunggo ka na or
Bumili ka na sana ng
ine-expect
tangke.
ko na mabubunggo ka na or
truck
exactly.
ng yung kotse nung pang mga bank, the armored
diba?
van.
Yung
yung armored
armored
vehicle.
car. Pero yun nga, yun lang yung parang pangit na mentality. Parang yung mga drivers daw ng mga SUV or yung mga bumibili na SUVs, yun daw yung number one or pinaka inuuna nilang priority. It's like the safety. Like pag nabunggo sila or pag may binunggo sila, safe sila.
Naalog lang sila.
Dun pa lang parang, damn, I better stay away from this person. Ganun.
Hindi ba generalize yun?
Know what?
Diba?
Alam mo,
Sample
generalize.
na lang, bakit galing kang motor, bakit bumili ka ng kotse? Kasi mas safe. Diba?
It is.
True,
It
true, true.
actually
Diba?
is safe. That's the ano. So again, pero why an SUV in particular? Why not just go for a sedan? Why not an MPV?
Kasi
Ganun.
may mga
Kasi,
cons din ng sedan, diba?
Okay, what's the cons?
Yung ano, yung
Obviously, meron. Space,
ground
it's
clearance,
one thing.
diba?
Ground clearance, okay,
Oo,
tama,
sumasagot.
tama.
Oo.
Now, kaya nga inano rin nila to. So, inargue nila dun sa video where kung hindi ka taga-city, halimbawa, nasa probinsya ka, okay yung pickup kasi you can use it for labor or hauling different things and also lubak-lubak yung mga ano.
Oo.
Pero what is the point of using a pickup in the city?
Baka may mga ano rin, di ba? Mga... Hindi rin silang dala
What
ng
is
mga
the
lalaki.
what is
Baka gusto
the
nila
point
mag-camping.
of
Who
using
knows, bro?
why not buy a van
I'm gonna
or
share
a
something.
mini truck?
I'm gonna share
Kasi ito-
something.
Wait lang. Okay, just to finish off my argument lang. Yung mga SUVs din, napansin lahat ng mga SUV na na-drive nyo, may ang haba ng nguso. And ang taas ng clearance, diba? To the point that you literally blind spot na talaga yung like fucking 1 meter or 2 meters in front of you.
Pero bang blind spot? Gamitin mo to.
Side mirror.
Yung harap mo kasi the sides, okay? Yung harap, yung bumper. Where most of the fucking accidents happen. It's in the front of the fucking vehicle.
Kung walang blind spot ka sa harap.
What the fuck? Kaya nga may blind spot kasi ang taas, okay?
Kaya nga, sobrang taas naman na nun kung magkaka-blind spot ka sa harap
That's just how it is, man. Like and I've driven some SUVs before kasi rent ko lang kasi wala akong choice. But yun, like, ang pangit talaga nung compared to my fucking Honda shitbox. Wala talaga, wala akong makita sa harap. I hate my fucking car. So ako pang sabihin mong bias dun.
I hate your fucking car too. I drive that.
Pero alam mo ba, feeling ko mag-ano na ako ng propaganda sa sa adventure.
Bakit anong ginawa?
Sa adventure?
Biglang kumakanan, no? Kumakanan bigla. Kumakanan bigla.
SUV,
Nakita ko, oh. Kita mo yun dyan? Di ba?
Hey, kaya nga adventure ang tawag doon siya. Uma-adventure siya, okay? Jesus Christ, align siya sa, sa design niya, okay?
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? O gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Taas, tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Okay, anyway, si Chris, you were about to say something.
I have a fair share against like yung bigger cars like katulad ng mga Ford Raptor at saka Fortuner.
Yeah, let's go.
It's always those motherfuckers in the fucking in the way, okay? Like mag-overtake ako sa kaliwa. So, okay. Ano na, may rumaragasang Ford Raptor sa likod ng tumatakbo 140 to 160 sa TP. What the fuck? Bigyan ginagawa pa ako, pinaflash, tabi dyan! Tabi dyan!
Mabagal ka lang.
Puta ka lang!
Baka bumababad ka sa overtake lane. Baka ikaw talaga may kasalanan.
Puta ka na! Pag-overtake ko na ka lang yung 100 kilometers.
Maybe it's you problem, bro.
Maybe it's you, bro.
Tira mo tong pickup driver na to? Tira mo tong pickup driver na to? Putang ina.
Ay, hindi ako pickup driver.
Oh, tira mo yung mga mentality. Kung mabilis ako, tumapi ka! Ganun yung mga pickup drivers.
Kasi baka kasi nakababad siya. Sabihin natin, scenario, di ba? Baka nakababad na siya sa overtake.
Wait, why are you fucking trying to overtake
someone that's over? No, why would you try to overtake someone that's already overtaking?
Yeah,
exactly, bro.
I'm already running in 100.
Why can't you just fucking wait? You're already faster than the other lanes. Ba't kailangan mo pa i-overtake yung nag-overtake?
Tsaka may speed limit hanggang 100 kilometers lang.
Tama.
Bakit ako gaganunin ng 140 o ng 160 na nagraragas ang puta ka ng Fortuner? It's always the fucking Ford Raptors and the Fortuners, man.
Di ko rin, yun yung gusto ko rin malaman. Like yun sa video na pinanood ko, it's just generalized SUVs and pickups. Pero, dito sa Pinas, there's just something about Fortuners, man. They bring misfortune everywhere we go. As in, lagi, siguro 80% of my experiences against SUVs is Fortuners, man. I hate that. May Fortuner kami dun sa Bicol. I hate driving that shit.
Isa ka rin pala.
Oo.
Isa ka rin pala sa problema eh.
Ito.
Baka ikaw nagpasikat.
Kwento ko. Okay, ito. Yung nag-Siargao kami. Remember ba yung sinabi ko, I rented an SUV para kasi no choice. I rented an SUV. I rented a Fortuner. Diba sinabi ko yung nguso nyo, yung nguso nun, sobrang blind spot, diba? Yung nguso nun.
Yes.
To the point you can't really see whatever is in front of it. And then kaya nga sa West daw ang kadalasan ng mga sumasagasa sa mga bata doon is like yung mga SUVs na nagpo-forward lang ng slowly tapos hindi nila alam na may bata para sa harap. So, parang nangyaring ganun yung akin. Pero don't worry, hindi bata yung nasagasaan ko. Okay? It's just metal like stone barriers. Now, yung Fortuner na yun was supposed to have a sensor sa harap. Okay? Dapat may sensor yun sa harap telling me na parang, may na dyan sa harap kasi blind spot to, ganun. So, it didn't work. The sensor did not work. I was trying to park and biglang may narinig na ako nagka-crunch. Ganun. Tapos pagtingin ko, yun nga, UP na yung chrome niya.
Bobo ka.
I had to pay 20,000 for it. Yun lang.
20,000.
Okay, two things.
Skill
Baka
issue.
naman kasi masyadong mababa yung upuan mo.
May
Kaya
ganun ba?
nasasabi
Literally,
mong nasasabi
may
mong may
talaga.
blind spot ka sa harap.
No, it's just really literally it's a blind spot, okay? Sobrang blind spot talaga niya. You know how like trucks, pag
Hindi
pag may
para
motor
sa
sa
akin,
harap nila,
hindi.
ganun din. Syempre, bias ka. may
Depende
pick
rin
up ka.
siguro sa tao. Wala akong pick up. Ano
pick
ka ba?
up ka eh. Hindi ka may pick up ka. Also, it's more of like, alam mo yung parang, alam ko may barrier doon. Hintay ko
Ito
na
lang
lang
kasi.
mag-ano.
Siguro nasanay ka sa Honda mo.
No,
Ganun eh.
Oh,
Kailangan
that's also a
nag-a-adjust
factor.
eh. Oo.
Yeah, that's also a factor.
Kasi
Pero
mababa,
don't-
di ba?
don't-
Tapos
guy-
walang
I know.
taas.
Oo, tama. Pero don't ruin my propaganda against Fortuners, bro. I'm trying to cook
Ay,
here.
hindi. Pero
No, wala na.
walang idama yung mga
Wag na siya
Kaya
idamay.
Fortuner, inaano ko eh. The
Nabara or
Fortuner
ano,
sucks,
di ba?
okay? The Fortuner, absolutely. So I hate the Fortuner, okay? As ad hominem as this sounds, yun yung propaganda ko against Fortuners.
Damn, bro. That's
Ba't
crazy,
nga ba tayo
bro.
napunta dito?
Ano, fucking
Ikaw
bro,
eh,
bro.
ikaw eh,
You're wala din, bro. You tell
Nagano
me,
ka sa
bro.
amin,
You tell me.
nagtotraumadam ka eh. Putang ina mo eh.
Yeah, I am. Thank you, guys. Thank you for
Pero legit,
allowing me
like,
to
ano naman,
trauma against.
Tama naman, you know. I think,
Ikaw, you had a recent experience, bro.
Ako, like, wala pa experience yun, okay? Ito lang akin.
Ain't no way, bro. You had one.
No. Yeah, I had one, pero wala pa yun, okay? This is generalized for me as a sedan driver.
Okay, sige,
Alright.
sige.
Fucking majority of the people who drives yung mga matataas na kotse, like pick-up SUVs, are fucking assholes without consideration sa ibang driver.
Oh,
Kasi
yeah.
putang ina,
Oh,
Yan.
sa lahat ng time nagdadrive ako, with my fucking eyes and astigmatism, puta na sila yung pinakaputang inang ilaw. Lagi star nakikita ko like, oh my God, low ba yan? Putang ina nyo! Alam mo yun?
The Galaxy.
Yes, it. I agree, bro.
No, kasi pumunta kami sa isang light brand. And then meron doon kasi doon, before they let your car go after installing a new lights, di ba? May leveler ng ilaw para masabi na okay, this is compliant sa LTO or kung ano man, like para this is legal level of light. Ngayon, yung legal level of light ng isang pickup or SUV, pukin ang inang parang naka-high beam sa isang sedan. Puta, considered yung kotse ko, pinataasan pa yun ng konti, oy. Hindi yun stock na baba. No. Tangina. Oli, yun lang naman, generalize. Di ko na isasali yung kasi that was katangahan din. That was
Naalala ko yung
I feel like yung nangyari sa akin na muntik na ako ma-accident, that was an honest mistake. I was like, we were running 30, tas he was like trying to overtake me sa kanan. Mind you, sa kanan, pero ang bobo kasi ng road din. Who fucking made that road, bro? Puta, 6 lanes, 4 lanes, tapos sa dulo may putang inang 3 lanes na nagka-cover na U-turn. Puta, lahat kakalan sa dalawa lang na lane na dulo. Tapos sa gitna ba nung isang lane, may putang inang poste. What the fuck, Pampanga? Fix that shit! Nag-rant lang ako ng konti. Okay? Alam niyo na yan, mga Pampanggenyo.
Why are you trauma dumping here, bro?
I'm just saying, bro.
You tell me, bro. You tell me.
Muntik na ako babangga eh. Putang inang yan eh. Sino babangga ako?
Yeah, bro, just
Bro, papanggenyo na muna for now.
Hindi kasalanan ng Pampanga yun. Kasalanan yun nung driver ng SUV at nung pick-up.
Tama pala.
Okay.
Tama, may propaganders pala dito.
Yeah, papapaganda natin yan, bro.
Okay, tama pala, tama.
Wag mo na silang,
Tama.
wag silang
Doon ko lang naisip, it was so fun though. Like, kasi I always play. No, like the thing
I
is,
thought you actually legit hit him, bro. Yung nakita ko yung video, gag.
No, the thing is, I always play something na mangyayari yon sa head ko na habang nagdadrive ako, di ba? Like, in previous times, like, kasi, I don't know, if maybe there's something na, na, since gamer ang isang tao, parang now-honed niya yung skills niya, yung niya, tawag ito? Ano ba tawag sa ganun?
Yung
Reaction time niya,
Yung,
no?
reaction
Yeah,
time.
time.
Sabi, lalaro ko ng FPS, like, tapos nag-rank mo putang ina na you're training reaction time over time. So, yung nangyari na yun, parang sobrang antok ko kasi nung papunta ko kay Neil. Kasi like, kulang yung tulog ko, but...
na-expose na ako. Saan ako?
What? Everyone knows you're from Pampanga, bro.
Nung nangyari yun, it was like an adrenaline rush of like, I immediately knew what to do. Alam mo yun? Nung nakita ko yun. There was like a build-up na parang
Reaction
you're already, na may parang nagpi-play na sa utak mo na, okay, posible itong mangyari, Murphy's Law type shit. Nung nangyari, alam mo na i-react,
Mga tao sa Pampanga, dito may tingin ng side mirror mga yan eh.
Yeah, narinig mo yun, Neil.
Damn! May passive.
So, sana
pala.
ikwento yung may pangdagdag ako sa propaganda eh. Pero ayoko idamay yung Pero may experience ako sa
Something
tatay ni Trinil.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. How about you gonna drop it right here right now?
Basta may paano yung nangyari na nag-drive yung like yung nag-drive ng pickup ni Neil, yung tatay niya.
Ay, tayo lang pala no. Wala sila Chris
Parang
Rotten.
it's more of like idadagdag ko to sa propaganda ko against pickup drivers. Kwento ko ba yun, Neil, o ikaw na lang or wag
Hindi
na?
ko alam yun eh.
Wag na.
Hindi ba alam?
Sa akin na lang yun. Basta idagdag nyo yun.
Patay mali siya. Basta
Just
dinadagdag ko
chilling
na. Dinadagdag ko na po yun sa aking
Feeling
Ano
ko
masyado
Neil.
maraming track?
Ha? Ano yan? O ano yan?
It was
Sama
like
naman.
2 a.m. bro.
eh.
It was 2 a.m. bro. Some shit.
Basta. Anyways, yan guys, that's our propaganda against...
That's your propaganda.
That's your propaganda.
Dadami mo pa
my
kami.
propaganda.
Yung dami
Dadami mo pa
sila.
kami. Puta na, barilin pa ako dun. Tangina mo.
Putang ina to.
Tangina,
May
ito
ano to,
yung...
may galit sa amin to.
Ito yung sa Poners Podcast. May puki ng ina mo. Let's make that into a
Yung
reality,
putang
bitch.
ina.
Boom.
Talk to the propaganda of the business end of my fucking... Naalala ko tuloy yung meme na yun. Yung yung pinaplashan siya sa likod.
Oh.
Like, nice high beams, bro. Tapos ano yun? Yung bottom text? Nice high beams, bro.
You should check out my
You should check out my unlicensed fucking firearm. Kitang. Ayun ako. Yeah.
That's something,
I'm
bro.
actually thinking of buying ano yun? Yung kasi syempre bawal baril, 'di ba? Pero like alam ko yung gigil ng mga tao na sometimes like this asshole deserves to be sprayed by something.
Hey, yo!
Not lead.
Spray.
Putang ina,
Not
paper spray.
lead. Not lead. Pepper spray. So I'm actually gonna buy some pepper spray next time. Meron sa Ace eh. Sabi daw nila, it's legal.
I don't want you to
Tangina,
have a pepper spray.
gawa ka na lang
You're
ng iyo.
responsible enough to have a pepper spray.
No, I have.
Puta na. Para feeling ko pag makita mo sila, bigla kang bubunod.
O talaga?
Nah, bro.
Puta kayo na.
Gawa ka na lang
Here's
iyo.
the thing, okay? Rules of
Irresponsible.
engagement, okay? Pag umamba ka na, tinanong ko yung isang lawyer about this, okay? Pag inambahan ka na, you can actually start defending yourself,
All
okay?
depends na.
So, unang amba pa lang, boom, tangina. Sarap.
I think
I don't care if people are gonna call me a pussy ass bitch. What I wanna see is that person crying in the corner, trying to fucking clear his eyes out.
Nah, bro.
Yun yung,
I think-
that's the best satisfaction I can get.
I think a bullet is faster than a fucking water spray. You know?
Yeah,
Pag
but
ginana-
it's too
Bumunot
much
na.
trouble though. It's too much trouble. Tangina, may court hearing pa and all that. Mapupunta ka pa sa social media. You gotta deal with that shit. At least with the pepper spray, parang, may ano pa.
Yeah,
May people will
sprayin.
still side with you. Parang, tangina, hindi ka naman pinatay. Let's go. Deserve niyo yun. Ganun,
Gawa
ganun,
lang tayo
diba?
ng DIY.
See?
Pinakurat. Para tuwing pupunta tayo ng Pampanga,
Punta tayo sa isang
Bulacan, mga
sa
ganun.
tapsilogan, punta
Oo.
tayo sprayan natin. Yeah, give me your pepper spray, bro. Sarap.
Alam mo yun, para ready tayo sa
Ayun,
mga
diba?
kamote, ready din tayo sa mga chicharon. Alam mo yun?
Tama.
Peace friend na lang.
Kinagina.
Dual sword.
Yung plato pa,
Ready sa
may
labanan.
bawang pa yun, gago.
Ready sa laban, gagi.
Hindi lang ba chicharon pang kamote din? If you know what I mean.
Panglaban at
Panglaban at panglaban.
Ano maging ano yun,
Alam mo, may dala-dala ka. Pre, baka mapalaban tayo dito.
Tangina kita.
Dalaman, chicharon.
Nagawa nga tayong product na gano'n, pang self-defense na, pero pang seasoning.
Gagangas nun, butang na.
No, amazing.
Hindi lang panglaban, panglaban pa.
Patent it, man.
They will patent it. Kapaka-copyright na namin yan. Bawal na yan.
Pinox pinakurat.
Pipi gago.
Suka
Hindi lang pang
spray.
chicharon, pang kamote pa.
Diba?
Yan,
Suka
yung
spray.
tagline na yun.
Suka spray.
Alright, we'll put it in the board. Put it in the board.
Put it in the board.
Lagyan natin sa whiteboard yan. Alright, papated natin yan. Fuck.
That was, what the
Anyways,
hell is this topic, bro?
I don't know. It's our my propaganda.
His propaganda, okay.
Your propaganda.
That was a good 20 minutes of intro. Salamat.
Anyway, speaking of which, like about sa mga high beam, binabawian nyo ba yung mga naka-high beam pag nasa harapan nyo?
Oo, puta kayo na. Alam mo yung meme na, ginanon ako eh. Nakatikim ako recently nun eh. Akala ko naka-high beam siya. Ingasan ko. Pinasan niya ulit ako.
Tapos wala ka
Ganun ako eh.
Wala ka
Alam mo,
pang ano.
I can imagine.
Dito?
Wala akong tint eh. Walang tint yung kotse ko eh. So parang I can imagine the guy na plinasyan ulit ako. Like seeing my face, I go,
Nah, bro. Pinaano mo kasi yung pinakabit mo, pina-downgrade mo. Sus, sayang.
no, that was fucked up, man. I literally felt bad about that. Yung ginawa ko sa kotse ko yun. Linagyan ko siya ng, yung pina-upgrade ko siya ng yung Orion lights.
Dahil bigyan
Tapos,
mention
diba,
the...
kasi kasi ang problema kasi dito sa kotse ko, yung ano niya, kasi it's an old ass shit box. Yung angle niya hindi na na-adjust.
Mhm.
So laging nakataas.
Mm.
So kahit low beam, putang ina, akala mo naka-high beam.
Mm.
So like there was a time yung kaka-install ko lang, diba?
Tricycle.
Kaka-install ko lang ng ilaw ko. Tapos dumaan ako sa isang eskinitang masikip. Ang daming tricycle dumadaan. Puta, sinisigawan talaga ako ng mga tricycle na yun. Oy, ang ilaw mo, nakakasilaw! so, like, I really felt bad. Naka-parking lights na ako habang nagdadrive. Nakakainis. But yeah, I had to fix that shit. Tapos lagi yun nga, napapansin ko lagi pag dumadaan ako, pinaplasyan ulit ako ng kotse. Pero I had to like, parang, paglaruan ko nga to. Pag plinasyan ko ulit. So this, alam mo yung meme na, no full auto in the building.
sasabihin ko nga
This is
dapat
full
ano
auto. That's not all auto. This is full auto. Yun yung high
Wait, so
beam ko.
di-downgrade mo ba?
Damn, son.
Dinowngrade
Dinowngrade ko na kasi sobrang nakakasilaw. And also, pinaayos ko na rin yung adjustment yung angle niya para hindi na nakakasilaw. So, ang problema naman ngayon yung kotse ko, sobrang baba na nung angle to the point na hindi ko na rin makita yung harap ko. So, I have to like, kung talagang kailangan ko makita yung pinakaharap ko, I have to high beam.
Yeah, yung inahabol kita sa expressway, hinahanap ko lang yung pattern ng ilaw eh.
Yeah.
Yung white.
So, di ba hindi mo makita rin yung ano ko?
Hindi, sobrang baba. Like, para siyang,
Sobrang baba.
para siyang, ano tawag sa ganun? Yung underglow, para
Parking
siyang
light
underglow, putang ina.
Oo, ganun lang yung itsura. Ganun yung itsura ng ano,
Headlight mo,
nakakainis nga.
underglow, putang ina yun.
I have to get that fixed in the future. But yeah, but so far, ano naman siya, okay naman. It's fine.
Yes.
Yun.
So yun naman, are we gonna close this topic off?
Yeah,
Now.
About cars?
Yeah.
Sure, man.
Yeah,
So,
magsabi na lang sila
ayun,
sa comment section kung anong experience nyo. Tama ba yung sinabi ni Gloco or ano ba?
Against
Ano
kayo.
mali, pero syempre,
No,
tutuloy
like
ko pa rin
sila
yung
kasi-
propaganda. I don't give a shit.
I don't know. I feel like hindi ka nag-iisa eh. I feel like hindi ka
I know,
nag-iisa.
of course. Of
Yes,
course,
oh.
bro. Makikita na may hindi sa pagiging racist ako sa mga kotse. May pattern recognition kasi nangyayari. Tingnan nyo, pansinin nyo.
It's a fucking
Makikita
culture.
dahil dito, makikita nila lagi sa mga ano nila, sa newsfeed nila yung mga road rage. Titingnan nila agad, anong kotse kaya yun? Is it a Fortuner? Is it a pickup? Dami.
It makes
For
sense.
example, yung Fortuner, kung hindi pala Fortuner, may pang top 2 pala yung Pinas.
Ano, Innova.
Wala niya. Yeah, Innova.
Pambansang ano yan eh, pambansang photo bomber.
Pang racing, pang racing yun. Pang racing yun eh. May nakita nga ako may nakita akong isang video sa Facebook. Taka na sa SLEX nagre-racing tag dito. Ford at saka Innova. Tinry ng Ford may pag-unan sa Innova. Puta na sa tuloy ng Innova.
Kasi
Kasi it's the same,
bro.
it's the same, what do you call this?
Ano, it's the same ano. Machine.
What do you mean? It's the same machine.
It's the
It's
same.
the same engine, Innova and Fortuner. Pero
Di,
mas yes. It's mas compact kasi Innova and mas flat siya sa ground. Kaya mas ano siya. Yung iba nga pinipili pa yung Innova kaysa Fortuner kasi mas ano yung Innova eh, mas
Reliable.
Yes.
Kung matagalan.
Yeah.
But it's still an
yeah,
SUV.
Fortuner.
It's a Kalabaw, it's Kalabaw. Innova is Kalabaw.
Sobrang relevant pa nga ng Innova ngayon eh. Like I know some people who still own
So, Innova is kita mo, pag may sports card sa gilid, may Innova, hindi mo makawala yun.
Pambansang photo bomber.
Pambansang photo bomber yun. Kahit saan talaga yung Innova.
Pero alam ko may mga recent na cars na ganun, no? Ang angas na tignan eh. Hindi na yung mga side skirts na yung shit. Mga Innova.
Gagawa talaga
Diba, nakita mo nga yung dinaanan natin, bumper, pula, tapos yung kotse, ano diya?
Sa PLDT. Ang inang yun.
No
Innova
way,
is
bro.
nice. Innova is good.
Yeah,
Parang
yeah,
pinaliit siya na
bro.
and Fortuner.
Yeah, we're talking about cars now. Damn, bro.
I'm just gonna say that, fuck SUVs. Okay. With it's nothing personal.
It's just business.
Actually, maybe it is. I don't know. All right, are we moving on?
We are. We should.
We are.
We should, bro.
All right,
Puta,
because
pang ilan
have
na
you
yan
made your
Sa 30
you all
minutes.
made your peace about it?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you made your peace about it?
No.
Not enough.
Of course not.
Next
Okay,
ano na.
moving
Next
on,
podcast
moving
I
na.
will never have peace. Okay, we're moving on. Okay. Anyways, guys, holy shit. We're actually playing Magic the Gathering now. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Kaso yung mga deck natin
Let's
dito,
go. This is so dumb. This is so dumb, man. Like,
Oh shit.
siguro,
Parang
for the whole
ano yun,
month. Yeah, that's a mono red. Hindi. Red-green siya.
Parang World
Ang
War II,
tawag
World
dyan
War
eh.
I, ano na dyan.
Sabi sa'yo, World War I to eh.
I still can't believe I got you guys into Magic the Gathering. Tangina, such a weird
Fuck you,
phenomenon
man.
yung mga
Fuck
nangyayari.
you.
I know. Yes. Fuck
You tell
Paano ka ba
me!
napunta dyan? Paano ka
You
ba napunta
tell me,
dyan,
ah.
Gian?
Sa mga nanonood,
Are
ito
you
po yung
ready?
ano ko.
Gusto mo ba mapasok sa mundong to?
Siyempre.
Ay, putang ina, he's interested, guys.
Last time
Oh,
kasi,
shit!
putang ina, naglaro pa kayo ang tagal kaya hindi natin kagad natapos yung gagawin natin that
Oh my
day.
God, this is so dumb.
Sayang nga,
This is so
sayang.
fucking
That
dumb.
was so sayang, bro. Kung di tayo naglaro,
Wala
nakalaro
na,
pa sana
time.
ni Ken sa ano.
Yeah, dun sa mugs.
Ito, ganito
Sino kaya
kalala
nag-aya
yung
nun?
nangyari.
Sino kaya nag-aya?
Sabi
Putang
kasi
ina.
nilaro tayo hanggang dumating yung kape.
Let me establish the timeline here of how this fucking happened, okay? So, siguro sa mga viewers ko sa Gloco Gaming there, kung napansin nyo, yung buong April ko, like, my channel was dead. Okay? Kasi I wasn't uploading anything new and all that shit. Tapos sa social media ko naman, puro Magic the Gathering. That's exactly what I did. Whole of April, I was just hyper fixated on MTG. And then for some reason, may phenomenon din na nangyari. Nakita ko yung mga ibang streamers like si Shroud, sila biglang nag-MTG na rin or nagpo-Pokemon cards. So there's like this weird ass phenomenon of like people my age getting into shiny cardboards. I don't know what happened. But yeah, anyways, I got into MTG, pina-introduce sa akin ni Cholo, and it was really good. Like, there's something about the 1v1, v1, v1 format of Commander that really appeals to me. Like, it's a chaos, diba? Yun yung gusto ko. And now, just a few weeks ago, introduce ko na rin si Chris tapos si Neil. And lo and behold, putang ina, they all have their own decks. Pakita niyo mga decks nyo. Okay, ano yung deck mo, Neil? Ikaw muna, Neil.
My deck is Goaded deck from the Murder
Goaded
Mysteries. And my commander
Yun
is Nelly Borka, Impulsive
Wow.
Accuser. It will accuse you, it will suspect you, and it will goaded you. And my main mission on the game is ayaw na mag-English, is pag-awa-awayin sila.
So basically, gaslighter kang hayop ka.
Yes, basically.
Yun yung commander niya. Nanggagaslight.
Dapat sinilinuon ako, gago.
Damn. Ikaw, Chris, who's your commander, bro?
Well, you know me, guys. I'm a big Warhammer fan, so sabi ko kay Gian, I'm not gonna have an MTG card if it's not Warhammer themed.
A Warhammer.
It's
Alright.
Warhammer or nothing, man. And then motherfucker bought me originally
Holy
the
cow!
Originally the price of that card or of that deck is 13.5, but luckily
Okay.
Gian found a 5k worth
Version
of
of
it.
it.
Like
O nga pala,
very
asan
cheap.
yung 50% off?
Putang ina doon sa ano. Ay, nakalimutan nyo. Sabihan ako. Anyways, go, Chris.
Like it's very cheap. It's like, oh my god, I'm sure. Pero putang ina, this is gonna be an expensive hobby that I'm gonna follow.
It is.
It's like, oh yeah. But anyway, I've got the Forces of the Imperium deck pre-con. I got two
Sino yung
commanders.
who's your commanders?
I got two commanders, Inquisitor Greyfax.
Ito commander ko.
but my favorite is Marnius Calgar. Because
Why? What does your commander do,
because
bro?
motherfucker has double strike and it has Master Tactician.
Putang
that-
ina.
Whenever you draw a fucking token into the battlefield, you draw a card, and also it also has Chapter Master with 6 mana cost. It spawns 2 Astartes Warriors. So basically, pag nag-spawn ka ng tokens, like sabihin natin Chapter Master, you draw a card as well. So basically, you draw a card engine to
damn.
another token. And for you to win, you gotta build up your forces and then find the perfect buffs so that you could easily take over your enemies. Simple as that.
Damn. Holy shit.
And also,
Tapos
it's
dinurog ka lang ni Nico ni.
And it's also shut the fuck up.
Nico
man.
Ni Miko.
Nico!
It's also an
Dinurog ni
Esper,
Miko.
it's also an Esper, character, or it's an Esper deck. So it has like mana block, board wipes, all that kind of shit. It's pretty good.
Nice. Let's see John's card. I'm gonna American Psycho this shit. Okay. John, ano yung commander mo? Oh, that. Bagong deck mo yan, ah.
Bagong deck, pero
Ayan.
matagal na siya na pre-con.
Yeah. It's, anong tawag dyan? It's the Draconic Destruction pre-con deck. And yung commander,
Yung commander
mo siya,
si
What the fuck is a
Atarka.
pre-code yan?
The World
What is pre-con?
Ender!
Damn. You know what? Just before you
What the
proceed,
fuck?
I'm just gonna say, like, siguro sa mga viewers natin dyan,
Na di naglalaro ng MTG.
Hindi naglalaro ng MTG. Like, what the fuck are they talking about? We're gonna go through that in a bit, guys. Okay. Pero ini-introduce lang namin kasi may yung format na nilalaro namin is Commander. So basically,
EDH.
parang, kumbaga, kung sa Dota or sa likod, yun yung hero mo. Okay. Tapos yun yung parang pinaka-champion mo. Tapos, basta yun. Mamaya, I'll explain to you guys the gist of Magic the Gathering later on para maka-relate kayo ng kahit papaano. Maybe you'll be willing to try it out. Anyways, go John. Who's your commander?
Si Atarka, the World Devourer.
What does he do, bro?
So, nung last time naglaro kami, na-bad trip sila sa Miko ko, well, it's the same shit. It's the same shit.
Different design.
So, yung card na to is Flying and Trample. So, basically, may dalawa siyang passive. Flying, the only card na makaka-block sa kanya pag umatake ako is another flying or any sa flying, ganun, basically. Tas trample, ibig sabihin, kung may mag-block man sa kanya na ibang flying, so kung yung attack nito is 5 or 6, kung yung shield ng kalaban is 4, yung damage ko is tatagos sa player. So kahit mag-block sila, tatagos pa rin yung damage niya. Ngayon, meron siyang passive na whenever mag-a-atake ito, lahat ng dragon ko na aatake kasabay nito is may double strike.
Strike. Fuck.
So meron ng 10 dragon na may 10 damage. Isa-isa. Meron silang double strike. May
nakaramdam niyan.
Dire.
May nakaramdam niyan dito.
Sino yan?
Mahaba buhok.
You tell me.
Mahaba buhok. Nakaramdam dito. Mahaba buhok. Pangalan Chris.
What the fuck? Hindi naman yan yung ginamit ni
ginamit
John,
ko.
Ginamit mo?
Diba 22 damage? Commander damage. Yung first game natin.
Yes.
The very
Nandun
first
ba ako?
game. Yes!
Was I there? What the fuck?
Basta yun, okay? Basta yun.
Hindi mo nakalimutan mo. Grabe ka talaga.
So yun yung passive ng isang card
Sorry,
na to. Okay?
memorable.
Diba Chris?
God damn, bro.
Ano mo Chris?
Kadiri.
Diba tandaan mo?
Kadiring.
It's not really memorable.
Damn
See?
bro.
Yeah, ako rin, hindi ko maalala eh.
See, you're not worthy
Yeah,
enough
yep.
para i-store sa memory nila. Damn, bro.
Damn, bro.
So yeah, for some reason, guys, yun nga, we are getting into this. Like I never expected these boys to get into some nerd shit. Si Chris probably.
Some nerd
Yeah.
shit?
Nerd shit.
John?
Nah,
Whoa,
bro, di mo ba alam, naglalaro kami ng Naglalaro ako Yu-Gi-Oh before, okay?
Yu-Gi-Oh.
Kasi
Hey,
kalaban
naglalaro
namin
din ako
dati, magpipinsan namin. Ngayon, this is so fucked, okay? Kasi every time
Si
natatalo
Jan,
kami,
oo pa.
pipili ng card dun sa deck mo
Card.
na isa.
Oo.
Tapos kinukuha nila
Oh,
yung isa
shit.
ko na deck
Kinukuha
na
nila.
nag-one hit sa kanila every time, bro. Fuck, why did they get
Damn.
that, bro? Naging core memory sa akin
Nice.
yun, okay?
Si Jan, oo pa. Pero ako? What the hell?
Si Trinil? What the?
Nah,
Normie
bro.
yan eh.
Maraming surprises si Neil, okay? Kasi naglaro din siyang Elden Ring, kaso di siya naging Elden Lord. Pero him playing it and beating some bosses is already achievement enough, okay? Kaya palakpakan kay Trinil, okay? Palakpakan.
Tama.
And now, nag-MTG na siya. Palakpakan kay Trinil.
He's actually getting into it.
Palakpakan niya.
He's doing a great job with
He is
it as
doing a
well.
great job,
So,
okay.
ayun.
Minsan lang, di ko lang
Nice,
naintindihan
nice.
yung ginagawa niya. Gumagawa lang siya sariling rules eh.
May mga
Ginagawa na sa sarili niya mga...
Like, hindi niya alam yung suspect na mechanics.
Sabi niya, sa'yo ko binibigay yung gold. Sa'yo ko mabigay yung suspect. Kanino binibigay eh.
Kung kanina binibigay yung suspect. Puta ka na, yung suspect
I'm
pala.
impulsive accuser, you know?
Yung suspect pala,
Basta gaslighter si Trinil, okay?
Yes.
Basta yung
Lang yun.
suspect, tandaan mo pinagsamang
Gold.
pinagsamang menace at saka
Gold.
gold. Yun.
Yes.
Gold.
So, bawal mo siya atakihin. Bawal ka pwede ka mag-block. Pero kailangan dalawa or ganun. May chance na dalawa. I'm not fucking sure.
Viewers are so confused, right? What are they speaking? Ano yung gold? Ano yung mga hate?
Gold
Ano
is a
yung
type
mga
of toad.
suspect?
Okay, tama.
And okay. Pero hindi ko na i-explain yun masyado. Ang explain ko lang sa inyo, sa mga viewers natin. And to Ken is how it actually works. Like,
Parang alam
what's
mo na
the
yung gold
gist
eh.
of
I think
Vanilla. Alam mo na, syempre pinapanood mo kami mag-
Wait,
Yeah, tatanong ko
mag-explain
sila,
ka ba
"What
dito
the
ngayon?
fuck is
Ken
gold?"
is actually willing ka pala, Ken.
Siyempre, putang ina, wala lang tayong time
Tatanungin
that
kita,
time.
Tatanungin kita mamaya, Ken, kung anong klaseng commander gusto mo.
I have no
Pero
idea.
Let me just explain to you guys like how the commander format works or how MTG works.
Sige.
Alright. So hopefully na lang yung mga viewers natin familiar sa Yu-Gi-Oh or sa mga ibang card games. Pero may basta. So to explain MTG or yung commander format, ito ganito pa explain nila sa akin. Imagine kayo mga players, you are wizards. Okay, we are a wizard, Harry.
Yes.
And particularly, you're a summoner. Alright?
Yes.
So, you're a summoner, you're a planeswalker, and then, kumbaga, naisikay tayo lahat sa isang
Mundo.
arena or sa isang mundo. And then, for some reason, we just don't like each other. Okay? Eh, parang, puta, ano ginagawa mo dito? Hayop ka.
Yeah, I can
Ganun,
only
okay.
be... I can... I... Ako lang dapat ang point
You
forward.
bloody fucking, you bloody
fucker.
rogue, you bloody thief. Ganun yung nangyari. Okay, nakita-kita tayo lahat. For some reason, we don't even know each other, but for some reason, we hate each other. Alright? Now, to get it to each other's fucking faces or parang to beat each other up, we will summon, what do you call this? We will summon creatures. Okay. Pero, everything's revolving around, kumbaga may main pet tayo, may main creature tayo, which is yung commander natin. Okay, doon nagre-revolve yung deck natin, doon nagre-revolve yung powers natin, and every other things we can do. So, yun yung mga pinakita namin yung mga card na, eto yung commander namin, this guy does this and does shit and all that. Yung commander ko si Ezio Auditore, so may mga, like, the thing about Magic the Gathering is, you can summon any creatures. And saan nasa summon sila? From different dimensions. Kaya the way, that's why para sa akin, Magic the Gathering is just, it's so easy to get into kasi ang daming mga possibilities. Like, you can summon literal Transformers. Sila Optimus Prime, sila Megatron, pwede mo sila i-summon as creatures. Yung world ng Warhammer, pwede mo sila i-summon. Ayan, si Inquisitor, Grey Fox. Yung universes beyond, like, yung kay Ezio Auditore, yung Assassin's Creed universe, pwede mo i-summon yan. Ang dami, the possibilities are endless. Dude, literally, fucking Miko Hatsune is in Magic the Gathering. You can summon her as your commander, as a creature, as a spell. Ganun yung Magic the Gathering. So the possibilities are endless. And now, like, people who are into, like, Marvel are getting into Magic the Gathering kasi may mga Marvel sets, like sila Captain America, sila Iron Man, ganun. And now, the main reason why I really got into Magic the Gathering din is nalaman ko na may Final Fantasy set na parating. So, everything from Final Fantasy 1 to 16 mapupunta sa Magic the Gathering. So, I had to freaking learn ngayon pa lang, bago pa lumabas yung set, para pag lumabas yung set, malalaro ko yung Final Fantasy cards na yun. And that's how I got into the fucking rabbit hole. So, yan.
Okay.
Nice.
Very
So, that's
good.
how the game works. So, and then you just summon the creatures and then beat each other up. Tapos para kayong court hearing, you know, na parang bubulsitin mo yung kalaban mo na, ito yung ginagawa ng card ko, ganyan. You gotta convince everyone else in the table na ganun din yung gagawin nila. Oh, may politics pa. You can negotiate na parang, oh bro, wag mo muna akong titirahin bro kasi pag tinira mo ako, tangina, mawawasak lahat ng tao dito sa table na to. Okay, you don't want that, right? Okay, kasi pag pinatay mo ako, ikaw yung sunod na papatayin niya. So what if, mag-work together tayo para patayin tong gagawin to, ganyan. Or let's say, for example, yung politics mo, magjowa kayo, sasabihin mo, ay ikaw ha, wala kang booby time na mayang gabi pag tinira mo ako ngayong turn. So, parang ganun. Okay, like, pwede yun, bro. May mga domestic disputes na nangyayari po sa Magic the Gathering. So many things can happen sa Commander format, which is why I'm happy that I got into it. It's just so chaotic and the possibilities are fucking endless. Let me ask you guys, like, based from your first few days and experiences with Magic the Gathering, how do you like it so far? Let's start with my first fucking apprentice, si Trinil. Hey, bago mo sabihin niya, I just like how I fucking gaslighted Nil into Magic the Gathering. Okay.
How?
It all
He cooked
started.
me, man. He marinated me.
I marinated him, bro. I fucking marinated. Alam mo parang napapansin niya kasi na umaabot ako ng mula gabi hanggang umaga sa paglaro ng Magic the Gathering. To
Curious.
the point na that's all I fucking yap about nowadays. Tapos pag kumakain kami sa labas ni Neil, lagi ko kinukwento sa kanya yung mga kung paano, how it works, ganyan. You know, I'm like trying to marinate him. Tapos biglang sinabi mo, so ano yun, parang Dota ba yan? Sabi ko, oo! Sino yung favorite character mo sa Dota? Sinabi niya, si Druid. Sabi ko, puta, gusto mo maging Druid? Pwede. You wanna summon creatures? Yeah. May mga Druid na commander. Ganun. So, biglang tanong-tanong na siya ng mga questions and all that. Then hanggang, ayun na nga po, nalulung na po siya. Ang galing.
Pero hindi
Ang galing.
na nakuha ko.
Yun nga that's the funny thing. Like, he wanted a Druid commander, pero he ended up with a Gaslighter, bro. Anyways, how's your experience so far as a MTG, Neil?
It's fun. Like 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. na laro. Wow. Di na nga ako kilala dito sa bahay eh. Sino daw ba ako pag umuwi ako?
No, I mean, like, how do you like it? Like, I didn't peg you as a card game player. Kasi more on MOBA ka, di ba? So, like, what makes MTG kinda unique para sa'yo na parang sa tingin mo na nagustuhan mo? Like, as a MOBA PC player, like what's in it made it enjoyable for you? Yan.
Oh,
Papaisip po siya, bro.
Siguro yung competitiveness rin.
Wow.
Kasi I'm a competitive person.
Oo nga, kaya pala natagalan tayo eh.
Please don't. Fuck that game, bro.
Tangina, nagpalaki yun
Saka
sila
ano
ng
siya,
brand.
interesting siya. Kasi
Aha.
nung sisimula ako sa Dota, syempre hindi mo alam yung mga item, hindi mo alam yung mga hero. So, gusto mo siyang i-try, gusto mo siyang ma-experience. So, doon parang bumabalik yung pagka-interesado ko sa mga ganung type of games. Kasi bago siya sa akin eh. Okay.
Yeah,
Something new. Still,
Okay.
pag nakita ko yung card na to, oh my God, ito pala nagagawa na to. Pwede kong i-counter to with my Enchantment Destroyer, with my Commander, ganyan. So, yun yung naano ko. Kaya na-hook up ako. Tapos, nung nadudurog na ako, eto na. Siyempre, lalabas na dyan yung deck. Ba't ang ano ng deck ko? Masyadong mahina.
Ang bagal.
So, tingnan ko nga ano ba ang pwedeng i-upgrade.
Yan.
Yun na, andun na ako. Tapos nakikita ko, uy, ang ganda ng card na to. Pwede sa commander ko. Ganda ng synergy. May exile ko yung cards. Et cetera. Sobrang daming pwedeng possibilities. Na, ayun, na-enjoy ko. Na alam mo yun, pag naglalaro tayo, threat assessment. Threat assessment, guys, is
Sino yung
like...
pinakamalala dito ngayon?
Yung parang, pag ito, hindi natin nadali to, tapos tayo lahat. Yun yung threat assessment.
MTG is the kind of game where Trinil and Chris collaborate for once in a lifetime.
For once in a life.
Nag-unite.
Doon ko lang sila nakita nag-work together, nagkamayan sa isa't isa. You know what? We'll take it at truce my... Putang erag yan.
That's the kind
May
of game
treaty na
MTG
nangyayari
is,
eh.
okay? Best rivals turn to allies, man.
The enemy of my enemy, bro. Ganun yung ganun yung MTG eh. But anyways, ano pa rin?
Asan na ba ako? Wala ako bigla.
Ayan mo, yung sa pag-upgrade.
Sa pag-upgrade, yun nga, synergy-wise, yun, na-enjoy ko. Tapos, yun, mahina yung deck ko sa one-on-one. Ayun, yung sinasabi ko nga, threat assessment, yung asa isip ko kasi it's 100 cards and mostly yung yung nauulit lang is yung lands and I think lands lang, di ba? Or artifact.
Yeah, lands lang yung, mga basic lands lang yung
basic lands lang yung nauulit. Pero,
yung may duplicates.
yung halos lahat walang duplicate. So, kunyari, threat assessment, si Gloco, masyado nang malakas. Iniisip ko yung card na yun. Na sana mabunot kita para madurog to.
1 out of 99 chance para mabunot ang isang card. Kasi guys, sa Commander format, ang standard format ng MTG is like 60 cards. And then, pwede ka mag-duplicate ng up to, I think, 4 of the same name cards. Sa Commander naman, what makes it special is that yung deck mo is 100. Okay, 100 cards, including yung Commander mo. So, lahat yun, iisang copy lang. So, you only have like 1 out of 99 chance to draw the card that you need to make your combos and whatever you need. So parang sobrang heart of the cards siya when it comes to playing. Yeah, yun. Anyways,
I mean, yun lang ang ko. I enjoy it, you know.
Pero mechanics wise, like as a Dota player, like yung mechanics wise niya, parang may similarities ba? With its overall feel ganun.
Hindi, syempre iba pa rin. Iba pa rin ang MOBA sa card game. Pero andun kasi yung gusto mong manalo and ang mo kasi doon is luck. Yun eh. Kailangan mo ng luck eh. Hindi sa Dota na parang kailangan mo magpalakas kasi syempre pag tumaba na ako, edi may chance na ako manalo. Ito, luck. Kailangan mo ng luck. Pag malas ka na hindi ka nakakuha ng mana, ng creature na need mo, 'di ba? Wala kang magagawa, 'di ba? So yeah, magkaiba sila but at the same ang pinaka lang sa kanila is competitive din talaga. I like competitive things, yes.
Nakikita ko nga yun pag nag-ano kami. Like literally there was this, actually lahat eh. Everyone, if you play Commander, hindi mo masasabing hindi ka competitive eh. Like everyone in that table is out to win or they have their own objectives. Yun lang masasabi ko. Lahat may agenda when they're in the table. So, for example, yung nangyari recently, ang ina tong mga to, nasa Pampanga kami, we were supposed to record something for a sponsor. Tapos, may lakad din kami in the later parts of that day. Ito naman, sabi ko, okay, mag-order muna ako ng kape guys para like we can jumpstart our recording. So sabi nila, sige, maglaro muna kami. Nag-3-way commander itong tatlo, si John, si Chris, tapos si Neil. So, ang inisip ko, since tatlo lang sila, mabilis yung game. Kasi mabilis lang yung turns eh. You know, it's probably gonna take an hour at most. Yun yung nasa isip ko. So, tangina, sige, hinayaan ko sila. Let them cook. 1 hour later, puki ng ina, hindi pa rin, we are not even near the completion nung game nila. Everyone's just so locked in. So sabi ko, sige, hayaan ko. Maybe another 30 minutes will do it. You know? 30 minutes later, putang ina, si Chris nag-board wipe. He fucking board wipe kasi he didn't want Neil or John to win. Oh my God. The thing about board wipes, guys, is sobrang lala ng board wipe to the point na if you board wipe, guaranteed, it's probably gonna be another 1 hour dagdag sa ano mo. Sa, what do you call this? Sa game time niya.
I have my reasons
Sabi ko, you know what?
Board wipe.
Fuck, man. They're way too deep now into this game. Parang I'd feel bad if I stop this. I just hope na parang they can resolve or settle this in like the next 30 minutes. Well, guess what? A whole fucking hour went by. Nakikita ko na yung sunset. Putang ina. Sabi ko, nag-start tayo ng, alas 2 ng hapon. Putang inang yan. Umabot na ng alas 5. Hindi pa tayo nag-start na recording. And I'm like, man, I have to intervene here. Like, sabi ko, guys, putang ina, if someone board wipes again, I will flip the fucking table.
And that's the time I decided to concede.
And then, nag-concede na si Chris kasi hindi na talaga kaya. Like, parang ako,
Inaantok na nga ako nun eh.
Yeah, dude, I was looking at the board. Naka-idlip ka na nga nun.
Yeah, nakatulog na nga ako.
Naka-idlip ka na nun.
This.
Dude, I was looking at the board, so it was so crazy na tipong, like, ang interesting ng laban nyo kasi lahat may sagot eh sa mga actions ng isa't isa. Ang concern ko lang, putang ina, we need to work. Guys, may trabaho tayo, putang ina nyo. Nagpapataasan ng ihi eh. Tang ina, walang ayaw magpatalo ng isa eh. So ako na nagsabi, guys, please concede. Wala na to. Tang ina yan. If magtuloy pa kayo nito, it's gonna be another 4. Look at the board say, I could see na it will take another 4 to 5 turns for someone to actually win. And di ko pa alam if may counter pa yung isa sa inyo para sa actions ng isa. So I didn't wanna risk that chance. Sabi ko, guys, I know it's been 3 hours. Alam ko pangit na tapusin niyo to na walang nanalo, but we have to end this.
Yeah.
And yun, na-end na namin, and then ayun na, wala na.
I think
Pero that's how crazy Magic the Gathering can be.
I think kaya tumagal din yung game na yun kasi we're all teaching. Yeah. Ang daming explanation. Like, di ba, yung nag-send out ng link, di ba, yung naglaro sila Post Malone, sila Jimmy, yung mga ganun, yung mga, makikita mo pag experience yung naglalaro, sobrang fluid lang, alam na agad nila na, okay, ganun yung cards. Tayo kasi nagkukuhanan pa tayo ng cards, like, what the fuck, ganito ba talaga to? Parang we confirm things,
hearing tayo lagi.
So parang each player, nagiging 10-minute turn kasi ang tagal nag-i-explain tapos
In-explain pa
inaalam.
Yes.
Inaalam yung okay.
Feeling ko saglit lang yung game eh.
Every turn is an anime episode. Ganun yung nangyari. Bakit ano to? Putang ina, ba't ito na yung nangyari? Tapos hanapin ko, i-research ko pa kasi ako medyo bobo pa ako. I've only been playing 1 month for 1 month, guys. So, hindi pa ako marunong mag-judge.
Not gonna lie, I kind of regret that I ended that game like very early because
Kaya mo manalo.
I think that is the most interesting MTG game that I've ever played in my so
exactly.
far. Because the last time I played, it was the most bullshit experience that I've ever had. And I do not want to have that kinds of cards to like play ever again. Like personally, I think I'm gonna have this mantra in MTG na I'm gonna play just the precon cards. I am not going to upgrade it. I want to play as thematically as it is. Dun sa binili kong precon. Like for example, this Forces of the Imperium. I would want to roleplay as like the commander itself. Like how
the commander,
like how
that's
would
what you want to do.
Like how would you like how would you act as your characters?
Yeah.
May reaction to that?
Yeah. Wait, ano ba yan? Holy
cow! Holy cow!
Saan? Patingin.
Ano ginagawa niyang holy cow?
I-ano mo naman, di pa nag-yan. When holy cow enters the field, you gain 2 life and scry 1. Look at the top of the card of library. You may put that card sa bottom. What the fuck? Anong connect?
No way, bro.
Holy cow!
Holy cow!
Anyways, proceed.
Ano ba sinasabi
It
ko?
resolves. It resolves. Holy cow resolves.
Ano nga ba sinasabi ko? Oh yeah, right. Right now I'm kind of planning to like buy the rest of the Warhammer precons because it's really
Whoa, shit!
it's really
Lord!
like just to
What have we done?
like just to have a variety of
Gian, what
characters.
have you done, bro?
Wait lang. What the fuck sa precon? Why you guys keep saying that shit?
Okay, good question. And so, a precon is a pre-constructed deck. Kasi, dati kasi, wala naman tong format na to itong Commander na to. Commander is actually a casual format that was fan-made.
Oh.
And it worked so well to the point na Wizards of the Coast, yung gumawa ng Magic the Gathering, made it into like some kind of official but casual format for Magic the Gathering. So, parang kasi like everyone's into like board games, diba? Like, yung mga party games. So, parang yung mga tao naman, naghanap na ginawang party game yung MTG. Which is why I also got into it. Kasi, yun nga, I like the chaos. I like the, parang kasi may pagka-D&D aspect din kasi siya, diba? Like, your role, again, sabi nga ni Chris, your role-playing, what do you call this, your commander. And actually, that's a very, very important factor into getting into Magic the Gathering. You have to like find a commander that you can embody yourself into, and then you can personify somehow in the table para mas masaya. So mamaya I'll give you guys like a rundown of like how to get into Magic the Gathering mamaya once we get everyone's testimony about their experiences. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Good question, Ken.
Okay.
Yan. So, pre-constructed deck.
it's pretty-
So it's pre-constructed. So parang binebenta siyang ganun na parang eto si
Ready to play na, ganun.
Ready to play na. It has 100 cards. It's optimized. You can play it straight up with your table. And then there's like may mga brackets para ka na. Kung tinatawag naming MMR, may
Wow.
brackets.
Utang ina
So
mo yan.
usually precons are like bracket 1, bracket 2. Tapos yung bracket 3 is yun yung may upgraded na. Yung
Yung
sasabi
mga
ni
tira
Nico,
yun,
parang dadagdag ka na ng mga single cards from I don't know, other sets na hindi na makasama sa precon na yun to make your card faster, better, stronger, smarter, better. Ganun.
Homelander.
And then bracket 4 is like nandun na yung parang competitive na. May kinatawag na CEDH. Yun yung competitive, yung rank game ng Commander format. And then there's bracket 5 na tipong they can win in like 2 turns. Ganon. Like may mga infinite combos. Gumaganon yung Commander format na parang pag nabunan nila yung Exodia nila, sasabihin nila, and this goes on an infinity loop. Any response, pag walang nag-response, wala na, panalo na siya. Ganon yung mga win cons niya. So yeah.
Oh.
Anyways, going back to Chris, he wants to buy all the precons.
I want to buy the precons of Warhammer since
you better buy them as soon as you can because like
I know.
the longer it goes,
Yeah, I know.
kasi ano siya, limited edition kasi
limited
yung
edition
Warhammer.
yeah. Like
So it's getting
may
more
nakikita
expensive
ko
as
may nakikita ko nung pumunta ako sa Pasig, may Tyranids there. It's like, oh man, I want the Tyranid. Even though it's a green, it focuses on green. Parang like lahat nung nakita ko yung mga precons ng Warhammer, parang kuha niya yung environment at saka yung vibes ng Warhammer, like yung chaos, the Necrons with a graveyard.
It's very
build.
flavorful.
Very yeah. You could
Very flavorful.
You could actually immerse yourself playing those cards. That is one thing I like about MTG then. There's like a lot of options that what you're into, you're just gonna immerse yourself. Like katulad nga to, si girlfriend, si Vinky. She bought the Bloomborough Peace Offer precon.
He's offering precon,
She's slaying at that fucking thing, like like gaslighting people. Tapos maya you're the one who's powerful.
Yeah.
But she cannot do that on me. Hindi niya magawa yan sa 1v1. Like 1v1 kami. Like if she wants to do some politicking, I refuse to do politicking.
Hindi kaya, hindi pwede. There are precons kasi or mga decks where they work with multiple people lang. They work better if marami. Tulad yung kay Neil, hindi mahina siya sa 1v1. Pero if he managed to build everything up like sa early game, pwede siya manalo. Yung kay Binky naman, it's like a group hug deck. So parang it benefits everyone in the table if you don't do anything bad to her. Parang gano'n. So may pag-politics siya. Pero like if hahayaan nyo talaga siya to grow somewhere in the late game na, it's probably gonna fuck you up. So at some point, yun nga, threat assessment. Is Binky a threat now? Is her group hug deck a threat right now or not? Most of the time, it's not. So you focus on other threats. So ayun lang, it's a constant what do you call this? Trial and error every time na may turn. O, hindi trial and error, sorry. May threat assessment every turn or cycle to see if anyone's trying to cook something too much or kung tama lang sila. Anyways, going back to you, Chris, about Bink 1v1 with Binky.
Yeah,
and what's going on with her?
One thing rin na na-enjoy ko dun sa MTGs. Me and my girlfriend had finally something to like get onto. Like walang like di rin kami makapaglaro ng because her laptop, yung laptop niya is a piece of shit and she has to di rin ako mapaglaro ng Valorant kasi di na rin ako nagba-Valorant. Like luckily MTG came along. The only reason why I got the MTG is because Gloco invited my girlfriend to play as well. It's like, you know what? Like, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking check this out, you know. I'm just gonna check this out.
Dip my toe in the fucking water.
Hindi ako magpapalason. Sabi ko, hindi tayo magpapalason dito. We're just gonna check this out, yeah. Tapos maya, naglaro kami. It's like, I don't get it, but okay. I lost? Okay, fine. Pero parang there's like this itch of like, I want to fucking win this game.
Yeah.
I want to fucking win this game. It's like, is there any pre-cons that I would be interested in? Like, pinakita yung Fallout. There's a Warhammer? 40K? I was like, damn, I'm in. Ayun, here I am. Trying to like, every time na may papakita kayong card, I'm trying to like, look at Google. It's like, do I have a card that can counter this shit? And then, tapos pag meron, it's like, mapapaisip na lang ako, the kind of strategy that I'm going to... So, hindi mo na ako maglalabas ng mga units as long as I have a fucking safety net na, I have this card. If he pulls that kind of shit, I'm just gonna do that shit. Parang nagpa-formulate ka na ng strategy. And that's one thing about I like MTG, the strategy. It's like playing RTS games.
Yes, exactly.
It's either you're gonna be proactive dun sa mga galaw ng kalaban mo or you're gonna be reactive. It really depends on the situation. That's what makes MTG interested in my side. It's the strategy.
Kasi like every game is different.
Yeah.
There's so many possibilities. Like sometimes akala mo lakas ng deck mo, diba? Like you're owning the fucking or you're absolutely dominating yung mga usual playmates mo kasi kabisado mo yung deck nila eh. Like malalaman mo, there will come a point where kabisado mo na yung linyahan ng mga kalaro mo, yung mga regular na kalaro mo na, eto na yung card niya, sasabihin niya yung lines niya na parang, I put down Prosh and then I summon 6 kobolds and shit like that. Ganun si Cholo eh, most of the time eh. Like, alam ko na yung linyahan niya. So, there will come a time na ganun. Pero the moment you go into like another table, dun mo malalaman na with like seasoned veterans, dun mo malalaman how fucking weak you are. Like you thought you were him? No way, bro. Ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Like nakalaro ko sila Ninong Rai. Tapos si Sir Gab ng parokya ni Edgar. So sabi ko, I knew na parang na veterans na sila, na matagal na sila naglalaro, they've been playing for years. But I didn't know up to what extent yung kakayahan nung skills nila. Went into the table, and I swear to God, I felt like a fucking baby there. Okay.
They know what's up?
Akala ko upgraded na yung Ezio deck ko probably bracket 3 na siya. Like it's pretty optimized para sa akin. Like I can do whatever, I can do combos and shit to win the game. And for some reason, like they were fucking everyone. They were cooking, bro. Na parang ang bilis pa ng mga ng mga ginagawa nila. They had like cards na parang i-hostage nila yung card mo, and then binasa lang nila for like a few seconds yung assassin's card ko. Tapos alam nila kung anong gagawin doon. Like ganun kabilis. And then every time may lalapag akong card, alam na nila kung ano yung effect. Ang bilis nila. And man, they were just sobrang mamaw sila, okay. Feeling ko, alam mo yung linyahan na parang masyado pa ako mahina para sa mundo ng mga halimaw or something like that. Ganun yung feeling ko.
Based on
But for some reason, I won. I fucking won the whole game.
What?
You know why? I had a card where if it's called Ramses, it says there na if an opponent loses the game this turn and was hit by an assassin, you win the game.
Why?
Putang inang yan, parang cheat code yun ah. So, tama.
You win by win con?
Yes.
You fucking asshole!
May mga ganong cards. So, nangyari, I was just, like, hindi ako threat eh. Hindi ako threat. I was literally just too fucking health and then hinahayaan lang nila ako. Because they knew that I couldn't do shit. They didn't know I had like this one card in my hand that could give a win con. So there was this one guy na parang hinayaan nila akong patayin ko siya. Okay? Kasi wala, parang naawa siguro sila sa akin. Sabi ko, okay, I killed him with Ezio Auditore. Ginamit ko yung Wooberg ko to kill him with Ezio Auditore. And then I had mana, yung free running. I paid 2 mana to summon that card, yung Ramses. Tapos, okay, I summon Ramses. Any response? Tapos putang ina, wala. Binasya nila yung card. Dahil sila napagganito. Sila, putang ina pare. Ano, seryoso ba yan? Ganun, hindi nila alam may ganun. Tang ina, sabi nila, okay, good game bro. Nice strat. Ganun.
Ang
But
daya
in the
pala
first
ng
place,
ano.
paano ba sila nakalaro? Paano
Ah?
napunta dun sa ano na nakalaro mo sila Ninong Rai?
That's the beauty of MTG, bro.
Putang
Like,
ina
hindi
niya.
mo alam na like mga nerds din pala tong mga to. Ganun. You never know, bro. like one lore na nalaman ko rin dun kay Sir Gab, like si Chito Miranda, he's into D&D. Like nagdi-DM daw siya.
Di ba, shinare nga ng ano eh, ng page nila, di ba?
Share nga na
Page nila
parang
mismo.
Edgar. Nobody knew that. Like not a lot of people know na parang like, may mga nerd hobbies din pala tong mga to. So yeah, you never know. You never know who you'll be playing with next time. Pero ganun, may mga ganung moment. But I still, kahit nanalo ko doon, I felt like I didn't win at all. Feeling ko parang I just got so lucky. Parang naano lang ako, na plot armor lang ako doon. Yun yung feeling.
Putang ina, main character ka talaga.
Na plot armor na talaga ako doon. But yeah, that was a what do you call this? Wake up call for me to upgrade my deck even further and beyond.
Di ba meron kang Excalibur tapos iba pa yung ano mo?
No,
Iba pa yun?
it's one out of 99 chance to get the Excalibur nila.
Kaya nga, pero iba pa yung sinabi mong
iba
nanalo
pang
ka.
deck 'yun. Iba pang yung deck.
ibang
na
deck yun.
Pirate deck. Oh, iba pang deck 'yun.
You have a big deck, man.
I have big decks. I have like 4 decks.
God damn.
Maraming decks na ganyan eh, no? Mga condition type
May
winning.
mga win cons. Oo, may mga ganun.
Meron nga kami nakalaban eh, bumuo lang siya ng mansion, that's it, panalo na siya. Dapat. Oo nga, legit.
Yun nga, that's the thing about like Commander. Like yung maraming mga beginners, they don't know what to do with their deck or they don't know how to upgrade it or how to play it properly. Ano ba yung mga idadagdag ko? Ang isang tip sa akin was to focus on what your commander can do. Like, ano ba yung playstyle mo? You look at your commander, ano ba yung ginagawa nito? How can you make a win con with what your commander can do? Ayun. And then, that's how you work your deck.
Man, I fucking
or
hate
upgrade
win
it.
cons, man.
It's a 1 out of 99 chance to get the win cons, Chris. Okay? Like, heart of the cards lang talaga.
I don't care. I
Sometimes
hate
we
win
don't get
cons.
the win cons, sometimes we do. And also, nandun din yung play na tipong, alam mo na yung win con nung kalaro mo. So how do you counter that? You know, like how do you stop that from happening? Threat assessment, Chris. You have to keep your
How
dapat may
would
mana
you?
kang-
How would you?
What?
How would you counter the wait? Diba Ramses is like a creature. You just summon him.
Oh, I just summoned him.
Right? And then-
kailangan lang ng
So you
anyone in the
basic-
table could have a counter spell to that para hindi siya malagay. Yun lang naman eh.
May counter spell to like do that?
Okay, so when summoning creatures, Chris, on the table, ano ba? I summon Ramses. On the stack, ano pa rin siya? Spell pa rin siya. Okay? Summoning a creature is a spell. Okay? Summoning your commander from the command zone is a spell. Ang hindi spell is dropping lands. Landfall yun. So, pag sinabi ko pa lang, I'm summoning Ramses, any response, doon ka na maglalagay ng counter spell. And doon natin malalaman kung may counter ako sa counter spell mo. Parang ganun. So, you can destroy them, you can exile that Ramses before he becomes a permanent. Yun, ganun yung mangyayari. So, that's how you counter it. See, ganun lang. Ang nagkataon lang, dun sa table namin, naubos, na mana lock na yung mga kalaro ko. Or it's either, wala na silang mana to pay counter spells or wala na silang counter spells sa hand nila. Kasi, late game na yun. It was like fucking 10 or 15 turns already.
So
in my
basically, no one
table.
knows that you have Ramses.
Yeah,
It's just
you
a
have to
fucking-
keep it. Oh,
It's just a surprise. Like surprise.
Oh,
It's a
surprise!
secret-
May Ramses ako!
This is a secret mouse tool that I've been saving up for late game. So fuck you guys.
Yes,
If we get hit
exactly.
by an Ezio, if we got killed by an Ezio Auditore, and Ramses is here, you're fucking dead. I
Exactly.
win. Yeah,
Yes.
I still hate precons.
Pero still,
still
it's
hate
not like
recons.
it's not like 100% mananalo ka. Again, you can counter it.
I
Diba?
mean,
You
no,
only
no,
have
no.
you just need one card to save in your deck. Kaya dapat lagi ka may counter spell sa ano mo, sa
I
hand
still
mo
hate
or
win
sa deck mo.
cons.
That's how it is, man. Oh yeah, it's anything else you want to add, Chris, dun sa current experience mo with MTG?
Oh, man, I
Fuck,
gotta
nandun
save
pa rin
up
tayo.
for more money. dude.
Nandun pa rin tayo, what the fuck?
Yeah,
Gusto
nandun
ko
pa rin tayo,
Taka
gaga.
na gusto kong ano, like, kaya ko lang rin gustong bumili ng mga panibagong pre-con ng Warhammers. Like, pag may mga, you will play some, you will play some MTG. I got some decks that you could use, you know.
Exactly.
Like, I want to have, like a Warhammer. Like, personally, I want to have a Warhammer pre-con 1v1v1v1.
May tawag dyan, dual commander ang tawag doon sa ano.
No.
May format din na 1v1
Like,
commander.
like yung apat na pre-con na yung maglalaban talaga. I want to experience.
Okay. You want to get your friends to like just may ganun din sa Command Zone yung
Oh,
YouTube
yeah,
channel.
I
na yun.
did
They-
watch that.
They do that. They do those type of things.
It's like
na parang-
playing an actual Warhammer game but with cards.
Yes. Exactly.
Spe-
Egg fucking sack.
Speaking of which, people have been inviting me dun sa mugs and coffee to like
Damn.
participate a Warhammer.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go.
like
boys.
an
Let's
actual-
go.
Breads.
Like an
Actual
actual
Warhammer,
tabletop,
ano?
But
Yeah, man, go ahead. Ang lapit mo lang.
I'm kind of intimidated on learning this game rin kasi ang dami rin mechanics ng Warhammer tabletop eh. But tsaka ang hirap maging into dun sa hobby na yun since that hobby is very, 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 very time consuming and very, very, very expensive. Like
Expensive, yeah.
isang pa lang, it's like putang na libo na.
Miniature.
Yeah, isang miniature is
Yes.
like libo na. And
That's
yung inaambisyon ko pang miniatures, like sobrang dami pa. Like you need a lot of it to like able to play that certain
play that game.
certain faction. Like for example, I want to play Astra Militarum. I cannot play that because it's fucking expensive. One thing is just maybe in the near future if I have more money, I will invest in that kind of hobby. But right now it's MTG muna tayo.
You know, that's something I'm really intimidated din Warhammer. Kasi putang ina, whenever I see people playing Warhammer, they take up the whole fucking table to set up like, parang, I don't know what you call it. Basta may parang stage sila, may parang board
they
stage
use
sila.
stage,
Ang lupit, parang siyang D&D, but it's like a fucking, alam mo yung parang siyang war table.
Yeah,
Yung strategy table ng pag nakikita mo sa mga
may
war
mga
movies.
objectives,
Ganun
may
yung
mga
itsura,
relics.
oo.
Yeah, it's like playing Dawn of War, but it's tabletop.
So yeah, like I've heard so much about the cost din. Ayoko pasukin yung rabbit hole na yan. But yeah, I think you should try it, Chris. Like pag in-invite ka man, I think they can lend you some stuff pero just to get into it. Shout out to Mug and Magic sa Angeles Pampanga, as well as the Rogues Passage. By the way, our first game of Magic the Gathering with the PR boys was in Rogues Passage. So shout out sa inyo, Jen, sa Rogues Passage.
Shout
We'll
out kay
be
Sir
back.
Paul. Nagturo
Kay
sa
Sir
amin
Paul.
maglaro.
Alright, let's go to Vanilla. Like John siya yung pinakahuli na natuto so far sa group.
Anong ako? Si Ken.
Gago, di pa ako natututo.
Okay, di pa natututo si Ken. Okay, papasok pa lang, i-initiate pa rin natin.
Wow, what
like,
Advance
ikaw-
lang ako mag-isip, okay. Ano bang
But yeah,
ano ba
ikaw,
tanong mo sa
ikaw,
akin?
what's your take on MTG so far?
Say it, John. Say it.
Yeah, si John. Say it, John.
Okay lang.
Putang iyak yan.
Yun
I
lang.
mean,
Okay lang.
ikaw,
Ano,
like, as someone who was late to the party, like, how do you like it? May deck ka na nga putang ina.
Yeah, may deck na ako na pang starter lang, At least may deck ako, parang ganun type shit.
Yeah.
Pag
Kadiri agad do.
It doesn't matter, bro. Mas kadiri yung Miko, okay?
Yeah, that's
I didn't feel proud of like playing that card, bro. I wanted to like quit.
Ikaw pa talaga naglaro nun. Kasama mo.
Yun nga sabi
yun
niya
nga
eh.
yung fucked up. Yun nga sinabi ko kay Gloco yun, okay? Na nag-usap kami dito sa bahay. Like, sabi ko sa kanya, baka mo yung ginawa mo, tinalo mo ako kasi technically hindi ako naglaro nun. Gumanon ako sa kanya.
Yes.
Ang daming backseater.
That's why like he was like,
Daming backseater sa akin.
I wanted to learn how to play. The card was easy to understand. It's just like,
Oo.
ano lang, like, it felt like hindi ako naglaro. Pero, no offense. Gusto lang ako turuan para kasi nung unang time yung nagtuturo kasi sa akin, shout out sa'yo.
Actually,
Akala niya kasi
to give context
kasi wala
muna
akong
sa
alam.
viewer.
Okay?
Ah.
Hindi ako naglaro before. Parang ganun. So give context. What's the context?
Just to give context to ano sinasabi ni John at ni Chris. So we had a game na si John pinahiram ng isang deck. Yung commander si Miku Hatsune, an angel.
It's a deck.
And then may tinatawag
Tama.
na Voltron deck. Kaya siya tinawag na Voltron deck kasi si Voltron, di ba, yung giant robot, he has like weapons, right? So kaya siya tinawag na Voltron kasi the way the Miku commander works is that you equip equipment to her. May artifacts na ni-equip. And those equipment deals like may parang buffs, binabuff siya. Na binibigyan siya ng extra damage, binibigyan siya ng indestructible or kung ano-ano pang mga traits and all that shit. So, the thing about commander is ang goal nun is to of course kill the other player by putting his life points to 0 or to deal 21 commander damage. Kasi everyone in the table starts with 40 life. Okay, 40 life points. If you deal 21 commander damage, meaning it's damage coming directly from the commander of your player. So, ano ba, hinampas ni Hatsune Miku, which is the commander of John, to Chris, it will deal direct commander damage. And if it deals 21 commander damage all throughout the game, talo na si Chris. Like, immediately loses the game. So, basically, yun yung ginawa ni John kay Chris. Like, linagyan niya ng mga Voltron, mga artifacts and equipment si Hatsune Miku. Flying pa si Hatsune Miku. Walang flying unit si Chris to block. So, he died after 2 turns.
Is that gonna be poor deck build kung let's say wala kang flying para counterin yung ibang deck?
Yes.
Is that bad build? Parang ganun?
It's not a bad build. Meron kang pang-counter dapat. Also, or your other players should help you out. Yung mga ibang tao sa table mo should help you out with dealing with that. Kasi nagiging threat si Miku eh. Pero tingnan mo, after niya patayin si Chris, wala na siyang nagawa. Kinounter na namin ni Nil yeah, he did try. Pero may counter si John.
Nila may isa pa siyang card gago. You activate my trump card. Puta, nilabas eh.
Ain't no way, bro. But to get a load of this, boom.
Indestructible.
Like, not gonna lie, I could easily block Vanilla because I have certain meron ako mga
cards na pang counter.
Flying cards na pang counter, but the thing is hindi siya lumalabas. Yun yung problema ko.
May
Meron
RNG
ako
aspect
flying
din.
doon. May isa ako flying doon sa deck ko, pero artifact siya. It's just a vehicle. Hindi pa siya pwedeng mang-block since wala pang crew. Hindi siya creature. It's just an artifact.
Yes.
So that's why I cannot really do
daming
anything.
nuances, no? So many nuances in MTG, and I haven't encountered everything yet either. Anyways, going back to John, you were being piloted.
Basically, yes.
Parang ikaw lang umupo pero iba naglaro.
Pero ang may din kasi dun eh. May aral din ako dun sa game na yun kasi
Paano ginagamit
like
siya?
may responses, may steps pala pag ka, may ginagawa ka or may, alam mo yun, like may certain, basta yun, every game may matututunan ka talaga. You just have to clock in.
Yes, sir.
Yun lang,
Nice.
Okay lang.
Nice
Ano
one.
ba? What do you fucking want from me, bro?
No, wala lang.
I play I play Yu-Gi-Oh! I played yung, yung sa Legends of Frontera. I don't know kung naglaro kayo nun, like, there was some certain decks there na parang nagsusummon ng keg, like, tapos in the later games, pag puta pinasabog mo na yung lahat, ubos yung damage, life points ng kalaban. Pero may mga ganun, may MTGs like that. Ang weird lang is may mga, puta, may Deadpool, may mga, yun lang yung doon ako nawertuhan. It ruins my immersion, pero it's kinda cool as well.
No, it's not. It's actually cool.
Ruins my immersion, pero it's kinda cool. It means pwede ako Omega Lul na deck. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
like, kung,
you can.
But may avatar niya, what the fuck? The
there's
animes
an
now, bro.
avatar coming. Yeah.
The Last
may
Airbender.
avatar coming up. Yeah, meron parating.
Nagulat
May
nga ako
Spider-Man din.
Nagulat nga ako bakit Warhammer 40k nandun. There's like, burn me. Tapos like, there's like guns there. Pero puta na.
It works, diba?
I would have expected that they would have put Age of Sigmar or the Warhammer Fantasy there, but you know what? Not gonna lie, 40k has magic as well, but with guns too. It makes sense. It would make sense.
Isipin mo na lang, may portal na nagbukas tapos na-esekay sila.
Exactly.
Naglaban sila doon.
Yun,
parang ano yung, pero Drifter, para isipin mo lang Drifter.
Sama-sama
Hindi mo pa rin
gago.
pinapanood, Chris!
Exactly, bro.
What the fuck, bro? Sinadjust namin yan sa'yo. Panoorin mo na, Chris,
Exactly how
please,
it
bro.
worked, okay.
Para sa mga di
Nice.
pa nanonood ng Drifter, panood na kayo. Ang kalaban doon si Jesus and then si Hit sa good guy. I'm just saying, bro.
Yes.
Na-esekay yung mga putang ina doon. I'm just saying, bro. People should watch
Yeah.
it, bro.
The best way to explain it, actually. And Drifters love that shit.
See, it's like,
Goated. We're still waiting for season 2.
Puta, wala na
Wala
ata.
na. It's been
That's
like
one way
years,
to-
bro.
bro.
Pero that's one way to,
Yeah.
like, isipin mo kasi may Final Fantasy pa, may Marvel pa, may ang daming mong pwedeng gamitin na
There's so
precon
many
or-
ways that people can get hooked up into MTG.
If it ruins your immersion, para sa akin, it fucking fuels my imagination.
Yeah,
Alam mo yun, parang,
exactly.
alam mo yun, di ba, like, putang ina, let's say, for example, like, John attacks me with a fucking giant dragon. Okay. Holy shit.
Nalalabas si Deadpool.
Six fucking...
He counters the dragon.
tapos, for some reason, like, puta, ako si Ezio Auditore, di ba? Ezio Auditore, puta. Shit! Fuck! Tapos ako like, ako yung summoner, di ba? Ako yung wizard.
Ay, naging
Like,
Skyrim gago.
Bro, don't worry, bro. I got you. I will equip you with an artifact that gives you flying. Boss, are you fucking sure? Are you fucking sure I can do this? Yes, you can fly now. Go block that shit. Fuck, alright then. Ganun yung ano. Ganun yung, that's how I imagine things. So it's ridiculous, but it makes it fun for me. Na parang,
Yeah,
like,
sure.
so, it's like the scenarios like that can be done. Or let's say, for example, a giant fucking dinosaur, like from Jurassic Park,
Sige, srap.
tries to block you. And then, ang meron ka lang isang 1-1 dog, si Ragnar, or si Chuchi. Okay,
I-blocks
Chuchi
that.
he blocks the fucking 6-6 na dinosaur, and it succeeds.
Etali.
Ganun. That's how I imagine it, man. It's fun.
But it's
Good
fun. It's fun.
Yeah.
Pag
That's the
nag-gets-
roleplay involved actually
Yeah.
sa MTG. Ganun lang.
Ayun lang,
We
ano.
like to play around.
Ano pa bang gusto mong malaman sa akin?
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. For Ken though, as someone who hasn't gotten into it yet, papunta na. Like, how do you see like people playing it?
I don't know, di ba pumunta tayo sa Mags? Siya, tanong na nila ako, sabi niya, anong commander mo? Puta, di ko alam kung ano yung mga commander pang available, you know?
Yeah.
Haven't seen them. Tapos, yun lang, gusto ko rin matutunan yung, first ko siguro maglalaro ako, yung nirecommend din ba nila yung unga-bunga muna para mag-gets ko lang yung mechanics nung game.
Yes.
Then from
That's
there,
good.
bibuild na ako ng kung anong deck man yung makita kong commander na magugustuhan ko. And that's pretty much it. Gusto ko rin talaga maglaro. Tangin na by that time kasi po, tangin na late na tayo masyado eh.
Tama, kasalanan kasi
Tangin na, ano oras na? What the fuck? I am dying. Literally. Ayan, yun lang.
Talaga guys, pag ang average MTG game lasts for like 2 hours to 3 hours.
Tagal ang puta.
Sometimes for...
Dapat ban yung ano eh.
Tangina eh.
Ban yung ano, yung board wipe. What the fuck, bro?
Hindi,
naman
that's how you
pag-usapan.
fucking, hindi naman, pwede, part ng mechanic yan, okay?
Tangin, it's gonna take a lot of
Pwedeng
your
walang
time.
board wipe. What if putang ina nag-dominate na first game pa lang, ang swerte ng mga
Swerte ng
what do you
pool.
call it?
Kalaban
Ang swerte
mo.
ng pool nung isang kalaban mo. Tapos
Ah,
putang
that
ina
makes
kayo,
sense.
wala pa kayong creatures. Siya puta naka 10 creatures na in like round in turn 2. How do you fucking deal with that? Board wipe, di ba? Ganun
Nawerdoan
si
lang
Chris.
din ako.
Mechanic.
May isang
Board
mechanic
wiper.
na nawerdoan ako. Pwede ka pala mag-choose. Kunyari, may ano ka, may card ka sa may nakalapag kang guard. Pwede mo tanggapin yung damage pang inatake ka or papatanggap mo dun sa...
Yeah, he's paying attention. Holy
Sabi
shit.
ko, what the
Eh,
fuck?
sabi ko naman sa'yo eh.
Yeah,
Yeah, dun ako na-weirdoan. Sabi ko sa Yu-Gi-Oh! Pag meron ka kasing card, di ba pagkakalam ko, talagang
Defend possession din, attack,
he's
ganun.
gonna depend with that shit. Your
ganun ba
life.
yun?
Yeah.
Oo,
I
ganun sa
didn't
Yu-Gi-Oh.
know. Okay.
I
Kaya
place
dun ako
this.
Hindi mo pwede sabihin.
Defend possession.
Ay, doon lang ako nawerdoan.
So that fucking card blocks whatever the fuck
Yeah,
damage.
where the
Yes,
fuck
yes.
mo naman yung
Diba kasi sa
mag-incoming.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Yung mga damage, mga 4,000, mga ganun yung mga defend 6,000. Yun yung kailangan mo i-calculate eh. Kailangan ng calculator eh.
Dito
Kailangan.
ano lang mga 4, 6 coming at you, 10
dali lang
coming
yan,
at you, ganun lang. Madali lang yan, no? And also, like, you have to factor in din na parang, if you take this damage, it's gonna deal direct damage to you, but at least you save yung creature mo na puta sinomon mo, di ba? Nakaurat naman, kakasomon mo lang ng creature mo, putang ina, pinatay agad ng kalaban kasi
Putang
pinang-block
ina.
mo, no choice ka eh. Ang dami mo pang buhay, di ba? So, ang daming mga calculated risk, ang daming mga
Kailangan ano.
scenarios you have to like consider.
Depende
Kung
sa
tama ba
passive.
itong ginagawa mo. Yeah. Well, don't worry. I think I'm pretty sure we'll get hooked up with we'll hook you up with a precon soon, courtesy of some of our friends sa Pampanga.
Siyempre.
Ayun. It's just a matter of like kung alin yung commander na gusto mo. Which we're now gonna go through is Kloko, you guys were yapping for like an hour about Magic the Gathering. We still don't know what the fuck you're talking about. How do we even get into it? Because it seems like you guys are having so much fun with it.
Play MTG Arena.
I mean, so much fun with it.
Meron ba yung TG Marina?
Let me tell you kung paano, okay? I'll just give you guys like a rundown of things you can consider muna habang wala pa kayong pre-con. So, one way to learn about it is MTG Arena. It's the online app of Magic the Gathering. Although it's not the commander format,
Ay,
kasi
yun
duel
lang.
lang siya. 1v1 ka lang with a computer, with an AI or other players.
Nah, bro, it is the commander
However,
format.
Wait,
It is, no, it's the thing is, it's still the same game. Kumbaga. The only difference is, in the MTG Arena, 1v1 kayo, you start off with, I don't know how many fucking health, but you have 60 cards in your deck.
Wait.
May nagre-repeat na 4, Or pwede kang 4 na
So,
duplicates.
yun yung vanilla version.
Oo, yun yung vanilla version.
Modded na
And
ano.
Oo. And, but the phases or combat phases are the same. Okay, yung steps, pag halimbawa, step mo na sa commander, halos ganun din yung process niya sa sa MTG Arena. Sa commander lang, 3 yung kalaban mo, 3 yung turns isang turn pa. So, hihintay ka ng ilang turns bago mapunta sa'yo. And most of sometimes the effects involves like not just one person but 3 other people or everyone at the table. So
Pero yung
MTG
cards-
Arena is a good way. The cards are like
Same
kung anong
na same.
nakikita mong cards sa command zone.
Okay.
Andun din yun. Except some cards like Universe and Beyond. Like banned kasi yung
Iba.
Ezio deck ko. Banned sa standard format yun. So hindi mo siya makikita. But other cards, ganun din. Nandun siya sa
Band din
MTG
ba
Arena.
Band din ba sa standard yung Warhammer?
Ayan ang di ko alam.
Kasi tiniting
I think-
I've
trying
never
to, like,
touched the
I'm trying to
standard
like
format.
I'm trying to like find Warhammer sa MTG Arena. I cannot really find it.
I mean, if gusto mo yung EDH na yung ginagawa natin, yung may commander, mag-brawl ka sa arena.
Brawl. Ayun. Pwede rin brawl.
Kasi, ano yun 1v1 format, pero ganun, may mamimili ka ng commander sa deck mo.
Mhm.
May din yung, yung tawag dun? Sa ginagawa natin, yung may commander whatever. Susu, may lagay ng
Commander
commander.
damage.
No, may commander lagay ng
Ay,
commander.
command zone. May command
Oo,
zone.
may command zone, may commander
Oo.
damage, mga ganun din natin. Kasi,
Yeah.
yun nga, yung brawl. May nakalaro ako ganun eh. Yun lang nilalaro ko ngayon. Pero dinuduro ko mga kalaban ko. Kasi standard lang yung ginagamit ko. Uy, na nila.
Actually, bago nga mag-MTG Arena, ang suggestion ko talaga is, like, if you find a local game store, or tinatawag namin LGS, or a local card shop, play a game of Commander muna doon. Okay, experience it firsthand. Most of the LGSs or lahat ng mga local game stores, may mga staff naman yan who will be very willing to play with you,
Kahit
to
ano,
teach
kahit
you how
passerby.
kahit passerby, everyone's like super willing to like play with you. They'll go through the motions of how the game works. Magpaparent din sila ng deck sa'yo. Sometimes magpaparent sila, sometimes papahiramin ka na lang for free. Ayun. And just pick whatever commander na meron sila na feeling mo makaka-vibes mo, and then just go through it. And then after that game, dun mo malalaman kung okay, dito yung playstyle ko. Maybe may mas maganda pang commander dyan, parang ganun. Or maybe, I like this commander. I'll probably buy the precon on the next day, or kung pag-ipunan mo yung precon na yun. So, yun yung pinaka-suggestion ko. Play it first in an LGS. Pero kung hindi talaga kaya, MTG Arena. And then from there, vibe check. Are you willing to invest like around 2 to 3K to buy a precon or build a precon? Tapos, time to find some friends to play with. Or just make friends sa LGS. So, particular LGSs, ang ma-recommend namin, ayun, kung nasa taga Pampanga kayo, sa Angeles, Pampanga, we have Mug and Magic. Ayun, they have lots of precons na pwede ipahiram sa inyo. And tuturuan kayo ng staff. Sabi nga nung owner doon, hindi kayo mahihirapan maghanap ng players kasi laging meron doon. Kahit yung staff, pwede makipaglaro sa'yo. Doon naman sa may San Fernando, we have Rogue's Passage. Meron din sila, ang dami nilang mga precons din to play with. So, pati yung staff nila, very, very accommodating when it comes to teaching newbies. Punta kayo doon. Dito naman sa Metro Manila,
High market.
Personally, I go to Cubao. Ang dami doon. May 3 doon sa Cubao. There's Nook's Corners, there's Green Gate Hobbies, and then there's High Market. Okay. Doon kami madalas. Sa Mandaluyong naman, there's Block 101.
Uy, Cubao,
and also yung mga neutral, yung mga neutral grounds.
Walking distance mo lang.
Doon.
High market.
Oo nga.
Goddamn.
And ang dami. And then, if you guys are still confused on, let's say for example, lalaro nyo na, and you want to get into it, ang problema nyo na ngayon is, so Gloco, how do I choose my commander? Like, ang dami kasi mga precons dyan, ang daming commanders. Who do I choose? Ang lagi kong suggestion, like, what worked for me was, find a commander or like a gimmick na sa tingin mo embodies your personality. So, my first precon was a pirate deck. Okay? Si Admiral Brass. Kasi I like pirates. I fucking love pirates. Like, I like their format na parang very toolboxy sila. Nangdanakaw sila ng ng mga, what do you call
Mga
this?
hostage.
Mga nang-hostage sila. Gumagawa sila ng token treasures. Parang ganun. Like, I like that concept. So, yun yung inano ko. And then, until bumili ako ng Ezio ng Assassin's Creed set. I built that from scratch. Tapos ayun, like ginagawa ko ng commander sa Ezio because I fucking love Ezio. Ezio is the fucking goat in Assassin's Creed. I love Assassin's Creed. Ayun. And then ang next ko ng pre-con deck na gagawin is yung kay Cloud sa FF7 ay sa Final Fantasy
lalabas.
set. Yes. So Voltron deck yun. So kaya nag-iipon ako ng mga artifact equipments kasi yun yung bibigay ko sa kanya. And then ayun, it could be people who are fans of Marvel, people who are fans of Avatar and Spider-Man or Final Fantasy, that could be your gateway to Magic the Gathering as well. Like if there's like a character there na na favorite character mo pala in that particular pop culture community, then pwede nyo na gawing commander yun. Like for example, that's what happened to Chris. Like he likes Warhammer. He likes that character from Warhammer. He made it into a commander. Ganun lang. Easy. Yay!
Sana nasabi ko yung L word, pre.
What L word? Ano sinabi mo?
Ano pa sa L-word?
Lala.
Lala?
Garden?
Bus.
Lala?
Lala Garden.
Ay, putang.
Lalabarina, bro.
Butang na buti nga din nagising eh.
So, yeah, that's how you get
Krokodilo.
into Commander, guys, or into MTG. Kayo guys, may ma-add ba kayo or anything on your part as people who are new to it?
Nah.
Wala.
Yung mga sabog
Ko pala,
na-
We should have learned it earlier.
Yeah, we should have
We
learned.
could have gotten
Should have
that
learned
shit.
it. Yeah, we should have learned it earlier.
Could have
Could have
gotten that
just
shit.
used that time to like build our decks instead of playing Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals ruined my life.
Makes sense,
stop.
makes sense.
Hindi. Pansinin nyo. Dati, pag naglayaan tayo maglaro, sometimes parang ang sasama pa ng mga loob natin makipaglaro sa isa't isa. But now, when it comes to MTG, parang yun na yun ang magiging, feeling ko, ito na yung magiging natin eh. Ano yun? Yung team building natin.
It's like a learning experience as well.
Parang ito, like, parang pag may
may outing.
pupuntahan tayo, 'di ba, na outing. Or lalabas tayo outside Metro Manila, nakakatamad. Ngayon, pag pupunta tayo Pampanga, okay guys, may trabaho tayo mag-record tayo sa Pampanga. Pero after that, mag-MTG tayo sa Rogue Passage. We're like, yeah! Let's go!
Motivation na.
We're gonna MTG! Naging side
Isang
quest na
oras.
yung trabaho.
Kahit
Naging
2 oras yung drive, let's fucking go!
Yung main quest na yung paglaro ng MTG. Yun yung reward eh. Maglaro tayo
After
ng
pa maglaro,
MTG.
uuwi pa, mag-drive pa ng isang oras.
Okay lang yan. So yeah, we're pretty excited with what for MTG, yun lang. And maybe I think this will happen. Pinoy's plays MTG. Like we're gonna make content. Gagawa tayo parang the command zone type na yung overhead view ng table, and then we're just fucking each other up. Kasi ang dami nag-request yun. We hear you guys. Ang dami nag-request yun na please record your games of MTG.
Bumili na ako ng nung top head.
Yung top head. Kahit mag-spell table tayo pwede. Pero I think kaya natin. Ang dali lang yun eh. Ang dali lang gawin nun eh. So, maybe next podcast, by that time, siguro si Ken marunong na rin. Hopefully, tingnan natin.
Baka may deck na siya, you know.
May deck na ako nun, yeah.
And if there's anyone out there who's watching na may mga local game stores then who wants to like collaborate with us or sponsor us with MTG related stuff, we're super game with that. And let us know. Okay, let's contact us. Ayan. Right. So that's it, guys. That's our podcast for this week, I think. I like how we fucking ranted about cars and then we moved on to MTG.
Usapang cars to cards. Yan na yung
Usapang cars to
title.
cards. Yan. I like that. Usapang cars to cards. That's fucking
Grind,
That is
nag-grind.
nice, that is good.
fucking nailed it.
It's actually good.
Right. Ay nako, mga kamote talaga sa daan, no? You know who are not kamotes?
Our
No,
Patreons!
Patreons! Let's go! Our fucking Patreon! Look at those Patreons! That Patreon right there, gagawin niyo siyang commander, okay? Gagawin sa commander ng deck ko.
May double strike
It's gonna be
yan.
a goated commander. May double strike yung high mo with haste and menace.
I'm flying lahat na.
Yeah. Thank you so much, our dear Patreons, for continuing your support sa channel natin. And also, special shout out din sa TT Racing.
Ay, tama.
TT Racing, sorry. TT Racing. And
Nagmamilde.
this chair right here, my goodness, it's so good. It's so freaking good. Diba, Neil? Tama, Neil? Yung One Piece. One Piece ba yan?
Aking Gojo Satoru.
Hari
One
ng mga
Piece.
pirata.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Damn!
shit.
May kasama pa nga na eh, no?
May ano
Nakakasawa
pa,
na yan eh.
idol eh.
Handang-handa.
Nakakasawa na yan.
Si
Putang
Two
ina.
Piece pala yun eh. Putang.
Yung sa'yo, bakit may kasamang 6 eyes?
Tangan na, di One
Wala
Piece
eh.
yan eh.
Putang ina.
Tangan na, di One Piece yan.
Ergonomic kasi
2-piece
to sa
burger
amin
steak
eh.
yan eh.
What the?
What
Thank you,
the-
TC Racing.
TC Racing.
Also, big shoutout sa mga MTG pod, pod group. Yan, sila Cholo, sila yung mga The Pebbles. MTG Sunrise.
Gusto ko
let's
makalaban
go.
yung mga yun. Gusto ko
Yeah, you will,
gusto
you
ko-
will.
Gusto ko
They're inviting us.
sa mga yun.
Bro, they're inviting us. Like, Super G na nga. Ayoko nga kayo i-add sa GC namin kasi feeling ko mas lalo kayo malalas.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro.
Ano ko ba?
Don't do it, to.
Ini-invite na kayo sa GC, sabi ko no. Wag muna. They are not I'm not prepared of what's gonna happen to them pag nalason kayo ng gusto pa. Don't worry. We'll take it one step at a time. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching P-Nice Podcast. See you guys
Next week!
week. Let's go.
Wow!
Let's go. PR Reacts could absolutely
Never.